Doing? Hopefully everybody made a bunch of money on those SPY puts that I was calling out earlier that I held through. I made it free now with some profit. So the contract that I have left, I have one contract left. It can go to zero and I'm fine. I still made money. Now AMC over here on the other hand is down about 7.2% today. Not having the best day with the market being as shaky as it is. So what we really need to see in order for AMC to go, we're going to need to see the market chill out a little bit and stop with these big downtrend moves. So we need a catalyst. We need something. We need the market to start to come back. Now, when are we going to see that? I don't know. But at the same time, we're still just here printing money on SPY puts and just killing it. So hopefully everybody is having a good afternoon printing on my puts. There we go. So yeah, paper hand your SPY puts. Not really. I mean, I took 75% of them off the table when they were up 60%. So not really. I still have another one. I'm going to ride that one into close, see what happens with the end of the day, potentially getting a big sell-off. So we'll see what happens with that one. The contracts are now in the money. I have the 429s. So how you guys doing? TLT? Dude, my SPY puts are printing. You're welcome, Alexander. There we go. So let's see here. Yeah, as everybody's filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. TLT's coming up. SPY selling off again. Low, the SPY is 428.81. It's at 428.90. Amy selling off a little bit here. It's down 7.8%. GME's down 3. Let's do a little bit of a quick Ortex update, see what we're getting at over here. We got net borrow of 237,000 shares. 20.85% estimated short interest. 1.43% average cost to borrow. According to these nonsense numbers that we've been seeing on Ortex. Holy SPY new low. Holy shit. All right. Well, I'm happy I held that last contract and took some profit because these SPY puts are absolutely printing. So these contracts now are up 105%. You're welcome. Stream branded? No. Could have made 1K, but sold a little early. No, you're good, buddy. I mean, I took profit on mine when it was bouncing around in this range over here. I think I sold on this one of these candles right here. But I still have another one. I still have the last one kicking around. See what happens going into the end of the day. Byron talking yet? Well, he's usually late, so I was kind of like, oh, I'm just gonna wait around for him to start talking. Then take 3 of them off the table because I had 4. So I sold 3. Now I have 1 left. It's doing really good. So let's see. You're up 140% on SPY puts. Kind of don't know what to do. Is Biden speaking? Yeah, he's about to start. President Biden is expected to join European leaders in announcing new sanctions against Russia. That came out 2 minutes ago. But yeah, SPY's coming down decently hard here. Amy's selling off down 7.85. GME's coming down now. TLT's on the high. We have UVXY probably coming up pretty big over here. Probably up like almost 3% up. That's a pretty big candle over here. Man, a lot of money to be made over there. Biden's always late. Exactly. That's why I held the contracts for a little while after, because he comes on a little bit later usually, but we'll see. What's the 1 minute looking like over here? Yeah, it might come back up and touch this 13, but I mean, these puts are doing really good over here. When you guys give a percentage up or down, is that the value of the contract or the premium paid? No, it's what I'm up on my position. So if I put $100 into it and I'm up 80%, I'm at $180. That's just an example. Let's see here. All right, SPY puts printing. 94% still on SPY puts. SPY 420 coming. Dude, if that happens, I'm going to be really pissed that I sold my other contracts. So Amy right here, 1649, 1650, just kind of flickering around here. SPY still looks like it wants to come down. Squirrel, how you doing, buddy? These bloody days are getting us closer to the inevitable. True. Anytime, Spectre. Anytime. That's a good question. U.S. stock exchanges fall further. NASDAQ down 1.6%. Jesus. Woo! I mean, we honestly probably could have made more money if we just played like Micron. Like, I'm not going to lie. But maybe not. There were some other things, though, that were moving pretty big to the downside. So let's see. If AMC reaches 14 again, I'm definitely buying more. Maybe I'll reach 1,000 shares. Captain Legacy. There you go, buddy. Can't stop smiling. There you go, bud. There you go. Dude, I honestly am sticking to a lot of SPY stuff these days. It's just easier. Like, I feel like I have a decent understanding of like the feel for how it moves. Even though that's a terrible thing to say when you're trading, like with the technicals and when they try to fake you out a little bit, I think after looking at it, like for so long, you're like, oh, they're just trying to fake me out here. But let's see. If people just bought shares instead of options, this would be heading in the right direction. And Shanner, that's wrong, actually. That's very incorrect. If people bought in the money, at the money options, we would have squeezed already. and it would have been massive. It would have been huge if in January, Shanner, people were buying in the money and at the money. Besides those YOLO 145s, we would have skyrocketed, but they didn't. So options are not bad. You got to learn how they work, though. There we go. All right. So SPY, a little bit of a pop on the 5 minute, coming back up to the 13 probably here. Amy 1658 is screen time and learning its personality. Exactly. Only up 65% on micron puts. Okay, that's fair. They are weekly. Let's see here. All right, people. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Let's check GME's Ortex over here really quickly. All right. Like 3.15% average cost to borrow, 20.84% estimated short interest. I mean, they net returned 140,000 shares today. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense with the stock being down 3%, but you know. Austin, what's up, buddy? I want to see another run to 40 at least. I think eventually we will see that. Okay, I totally agree. I should have specified it. YOLO or unrealistic options are hurting the cost. Yes, that is true. They do, those crazy options do need to be there. Like, need to be on the chain somewhere. Like as we start to go up, but they don't need to be there initially, is what I'm saying. Like if we start to move and then the options come, it's the same thing as the options just being there in, like, you don't have to throw the money at it. But again, I would just recommend learning how options affect stock prices and price movements. I've gone over it many times. There's only so many times that I can say it before it's like, all right, I like people are, it's just like, all right, we got to learn. Like that's the whole thing here. You got to learn how they affect pricing. AMC down 8% over here. SPY, a little bit of a pop here, still in the money over here. Zero hedge quote, Biden pushback his 2 p.m. speech to 1 p.m. so he can begin speaking at 2 p.m. after the 1 hour delay. Dude, that is funny. That is funny. SPY dumped this much and Biden hasn't opened his mouth yet. I think these posts will be up 500%. Dude, if they do, that would be crazy. Calling it TLT sell-off later in the day, SPY go up. That's Mike G. That's why I sold 3 out of my 4 puts. That's why I did that. Just in case. Let's see. Yeah, SPY little pop here. Let's see what happens with it at 429. Let's see here. Hugh, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that a lot. I think I know what my problem. I'm just gonna sleep in tomorrow. Immediately started the day 600 in the hole. I just climbed out, up $15. Hugh, atta boy, making that money back, dude. There you go. What's the news causing the huge sell-off in AMC? I'm gonna bang my head against the wall. Guys, the market is having a disaster off of Russia news. Just going with the market. Like, what's IWM doing right now? IWM's probably having a shit day. Down 1.33%. So when IWM, the ETF that contains AMC, and AMC is the largest component of IWM, is selling off very hard. The SPY's coming down. There's a lot of fear in the market. The VIX is up. TLT's up. AMC is not just going to be like, oh, I'm going to disjoint and then just it can. It's just most likely right now it's not going to. So let's see here. SPY. Yeah, it's coming up a little bit here. Apparently buying and holding is complicated. Sometimes it is. Sometimes people complicate it. 1648 on Amy over here. SPY still coming down. How can AMC squeeze with zero buying pressure? We haven't seen buying pressure in weeks, months, because Cole, we need to see the overall like market chill out. Like the market needs to allow us to do it. Like that's the thing that's going on here. Like right now, we have fears over rate hikes. We have fear of inflation. We have the economy going into pooper. We have, what do you call it? This Russia stuff now. We have Omicron, unicorn, whatever it is, still lingering. Like there's a lot of things that are like, there are a lot of things weighing down the market. And with everything overextended, it's like, all right, the market's going to sell off for a while. Now, once we see the market come back up, we know, this is the thing, we know it can just go. 7% is a lot for just markets. Well, it could be down 15%. We've seen SPY down at these levels before, and AMC's down 15%. So, I mean, it just depends. Ortex on AMC, please. Yes, sir. Really all I care about now is like, I mean, it's just like, all right, it's not even that variety. I don't trust any of this utilization cost to borrow stuff. I don't think it's accurate at all. 20.85% estimated short interest on AMC. Possible to see Amy tanking until next week's earnings? It just depends on what the market's going to do, Lex. Really just depends on what happens with the market. BRCC ripping. I mean, it's up 7%, but from open, it's down, I think. Yeah, from the opening price, it's down. It's not really ripping. It made the move in the pre-market. Did my finger fall off? Not yet. Not yet. Wait, the stock market doesn't revolve around AMC? You're correct. It does not. SPY moving down a little bit again here. Let's see. What about UNG? My UNG contracts are down a little bit, but not that crazy. Like, I'm gonna hold those. Did Biden need a diaper sheet? I don't know, man. Take it down to 10 bucks, please. Just do it, says Keith. I mean, you might buy a lot there. You could get a lot of bang for your buck down at those levels. Chill. Let's see, everybody. Ugh. Amy 1645. I mean, let's see if SPY makes a new low. What are these contracts at now? 75% in the green, 76%. Not bad. I like it. I like it. I'll hold those for a while, especially when Byron starts to speak. That could be pretty wild. Back to 2. What's going to stop them? Buying and holding isn't stopping them. Jim, if they could have done it, they would have done it by now. We want to see the finger. I can't. It's in a Band-Aid right now, and I think I'll get like banned if I show like my gnarly finger. Are we rich yet? I don't know. Did you make lots of money on puts today? You might have. I mean, we were crushing it over here. Okay. What's the RSI on AMC? I don't know. Let me look. $23.39 on the 5-minute chart. All righty. Ocugen up 100%. Oh, 100% utilization, 27% borrow rate. Yeah. I mean, that's things ripping. SPY been making new lows for the last month and a half. Not really. Like, look at this. Last month, like, look what it did. It came down and then bounced back up into this range. So we had a little bit of a relief bounce over here and then right back down. So this is kind of where we see the SPY start to bounce a little bit down at these levels. So if we start to see a bounce off 426, maybe at the end of this week, I mean, I'm gonna have to drop more boxes if we start to get even lower than that. But right now, it just looks weak today. It just looks weak. President Biden is expected to join European leaders in announcing new sanctions against Russia. Yeah, I saw that. You still holding SPY puts? I've got one left. I sold 3 of them. I had 4. I sold 3. They're like, I think I sold them when they were at like 60%, I think. And now they're up like, they went up as high as like 105%, which would have been sweet. But I mean, I'm not going to top tick it. That's impossible. Hi again. Better call Paul. What's up, man? Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. So Amy with a little bit of a jump over here at 1658. SPY still weak over here. Yeah. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We're going to be making plays going into close, especially off this Biden stuff. So we already crushed it with SPY puts today and a lot of these other plays. So if you guys don't mind, especially if you made some money today, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Are your puts today's expiration date? Yes. Yes. So let's see here. What do we got? What do we have here, folks? I already did the Ortex on AMC twice in the stream. So if you want it, you just got to scroll back a little bit. It's like 20.8% estimated short interest. Pump the like, says Subi. Appreciate that, buddy. Let's see. SPY coming down again. Ung trying to make a little bit of a move back up. Hey, I'm a premium member. How do you turn off the crypto alerts? You should just be able to go into that specific channel and then like turn off the notifications for that specific thing. But yeah, guys, also, if you guys didn't know already, we are doing a little bit of a special. If you join the premium part of the Discord this week, all you got to do, you get this week free. If you don't want it after this week, then you can cancel before March 1st. You don't get charged. But again, I think it's a good thing to have. I mean, a lot of people are making money with 1348, so you might as well try it out for this week. I mean, people have been firing off today. Like, look at this play right here. SPY puts on the 5-minute, crosses down right here, 432, all the way down to 428. You made lots of money. So, I mean, you might as well go try it out. It's pretty good. Everybody, we'd love to have you in here. We'll be in the private live. What do you call it? We'll do that private live stream tonight. We did one last night for all of the new and existing premium members. Buying calls on the like. Thank you, buddy. Go to crypto, right click mute. Yeah, I think that's how you do it. We're not doing the Biden talk. We're not doing that. I'll get the news on it, but we're not watching it. Biden address pushed back to 2 p.m. Eastern time or beyond, according to the White House correspondent. So now it's coming out at 2. Oh my God. Biden. SV, I'm wondering if people don't actually know how to hit the like button for the chat. It's fine. I mean, people are probably going to be, when we see red days on AMC, like people are a little bit less like excited to be here, which is fine. I mean, we're here just making money. That's really what we're doing. And here's the thing, if you're able to make money in this market, which is a hard market to make money in, I mean, it just allows you to be like, all right, cool. AMC is going to flicker around, do its thing. We'll just wait until it goes. That's literally what we're here to do anyway. So you might as well make it easier for yourself. Let's see. He's taking a nap. He might be, man. All right. So SPY flickering around here, still not above 429 yet. I think we're going to see a test of that at some point. It might come up and test the 13 EMA on the 5-minute again. AMC 1666. UNG coming down a little bit here. I'm going to keep those calls on UNG going into the end of this week just for fun. It really is a hard market. Yeah, it is. So if you're able to make money in this, I mean, 1348 just makes it miles easier, like worlds easier to do this. Let's see here. Dun, dun, dun. All righty, folks. Are you going back into calls after you sell your last put? Maybe. I mean, I don't have a lot of settled cash left, but I might YOLO the last, like, I don't know. I think I have like $60 settled. Like, I burned through the cash balance a lot. DraftKings calls getting a pop. Yeah, I mean, now SPY's back right around 429. All right. Sanctions against Russia roll out. West says more could come. Okay. Can we get VIX merch that says SPY flickering? Yeah, maybe. Took profit on 3 out of 5 contracts at 75%. STV Squirrel. There you go, buddy. You have Ukraine puts? All right, Nate. There you go. All right. Let's see. Where's TLT and UVXY? Is TLT selling off a little? Yeah, TLT coming down to the 13. SPY flickering. Woo! All righty, folks. So we're going to be on it till the end of the day here. Let's see if anything wild happens. It might. I mean, Biden's coming in at 2 now. Biden is a bunker. I don't know why. Why would that happen? Amy 1668. What are these puts at here? Probably like 60%. 71. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, the uncontracts are down like 24, which is fine. I mean, I'm trying to hold those UNGs until the end of the week because I think natural gas could have a good week. Plus SPY hitting the bottom of that descending wedge. SPY will come up. Mike G, it very, very well could. I'll be watching it on this. Did it hit the 48 yet? Nah, not yet. So watch for like a nice clean break well above this 48 EMA here and then a move up to the 200 EMA. That's kind of what I'm looking for out of the SPY to really be like, all right, it's done. Your SPY puts are up 60%. There you go. Love to see that. All right, TLT back down. SPY might get a little pop here. All right, folks. Let's see. What do we got going on? What do we got going on here? Let's see. Anything crazy going on the Twitter? Let's see. Speech just pushed back. Yep. All right. Where is natural gas? Not moving a whole lot. I mean, it's up 2.5% today. Let's see. Yeah, Amy's still at 100% utilization, but it's completely, utterly useless to us because it's not actually. Like, it's wrong. There's no way that you can have cost to borrow that low and have 100% utilization. Still, like, we were waiting on it. I was like, all right, maybe it's real, and the cost to borrow is just taking a little bit to catch up. No, it hasn't moved at all. Like, there's zero movement in cost to borrow. Let's see. Locked in my SPY puts for 60% and 70%. Still some money to play with. There you go, rogue civilian. All right, so SPY's kind of flickering around here. What's up with AMC? Nothing. Literally zero. Nothing is going on with AMC. Like, actually nothing. Like, nothing is wrong with it. It's just so manipulation then? No. It's just the data feed is just screwed up. That's how they're not manipulating the data. The data feed's just screwed up. And also, nothing's going on with AMC. The market just sucks. That's it. That's all it is. Had a hard time finding you. Damn it, YouTube. YouTube's playing with us. They're playing. All right. Crime. STV's broken bottle of Tito's. That's funny. All right, SPY back down here. TLT not moving. UVXY. What's this beast doing? Up 2.5% on the day. Do you think Ortex will be included in the Rico chart? No, no. Ortex is just getting their data from the source and then they're just presenting it to us. The problem that I see with Ortex right now is that they're not actually explaining anything. They're just like, yeah, this is what our data says. We're like, is it 100% utilization? And they're like, that's what the data says. And it's like, all right, but is it though? Like, check it. And they're like, no, no, that's what the data says. That's what it is. And I'm like, ah, let's see. I believe S3 has the utilization at 83%. That's why the cost per bar isn't going up. Exactly. That's what yeah. So S3, basically another version of Ortex, just they get their data in a different way, has the utilization at 83%. And the cost per bar, I believe they said was like 0.8%. Up $5,000 on my SPY puts. JW, attaboy. Market will probably suck for the next 5 years. So how will that help us at all if we keep going down with the market? There will be spurts. There will be spurts of bullishness in the market. Like you will see rotations of like, okay, the market's going to go up this month. And then we start to see a little bit of action. But with the short interest levels, the way they are right now, like they cannot, and especially with the bullish news coming out every single week for AMC, like, oh, new theater acquisition. Oh, refinance the debt. Oh, we blew out our earnings. Oh, box office record. It's like, come on, eventually it's going to play out. That's how I view it. And then I just sit here making money on the side. Fine with me. Let's see. All right. Yeah. SPY moving down. UVXY coming up. Watch out below on the SPY. What's the low? 428.24. It's got like 50 cents left on it to make that new low. Keep buying and holding. There you go, Christopher. There you go. All right. Let's see here. All righty. Let's see what we got. The tweeter. What do we got? Biden address push back to 2 p.m. Yep. Fidelity increases borrow and GME to 1.75%. Well, that's still really low with 100% utilization. What stock is this? Oh, SPY. All righty. So. All right. At least seems every good news comes out, we dropped and drop more. Oh, not anymore. Not anymore, apparition trader. So recently we've seen good news affect AMC, like really good news, send us up. Just because of the prices that we're trading at. Like, remember when Spider-Man news came out? We went from 20 to 30, like about those box office numbers. Like, we were in a good spot. So now with the prices that we're trading at, if we get good fundamental news, we're gonna go up. Let's see here. 419, 223, put up 100%. There you go. Oh, that's weird. You just sit here and collect super chat with your useless 1348. Hey, Teddy, you're a fucking idiot. Let's see. 1348 is actually very, very powerful. I've had very, very few red days. Everybody that's using it is having a very good experience with it. Teddy, if you have another strategy that you would like to use, why don't you tell everybody about it and help everybody else make money? But for now, this is what we got. 1348 is really good, and you're just a little hater. So join the Discord. That's what we got to say about that one. So SPY coming down again. Lol, his 1348 has doubled my account. There you go, Ronnie. I'm up 1,000 on 1348 SPY puts. There you go. It's just funny. Like, nobody that's actually in it hates it. It's just people who like live in like hate their life, like Teddy over here. Is just like 1348 works for me. Yeah. All right. I like your positivity. It's the only thing keeping me going at the movement. I mean, yeah, I just the thing with me is that if I'm able to make money outside of AMC right now, it doesn't matter. Like, I just sit here and hold it. I'm like, all right, cool. I love 1348. Yeah, tell them, people. Apparently, Teddy's the only one who didn't grab SPY puts this morning. Yeah, maybe. They hate us because they ain't us. Facts. Let's see here. Mark, thank you for the super, buddy. Think of something to the Discord. First, I need to know your top 5 rappers. Ooh. Okay. Meek Mill. I mean, I guess Lil Baby. I mean, there's this dude, White Sosa, who's pretty good. I don't know. I don't have like a top 5. I just kind of roll with it. Like I what's his name? 22 GZ's really good. Like I listen to some like wild stuff sometimes, people. How many is that? I don't know. Who have I seen? I mean, I've seen Travis Scott in concert. That was probably one of the best concerts I've ever been to. Let's see. All right. It's a little hip. Dude, the New York drill is fire. 1672 on Amy over here. Island Boys? No. At SV listen to 22 Jeezy. That's wild to imagine. Yeah, dude. Retaliation. There's a couple of really good ones. Couldn't picture you listening to him. Nah, dude. See, I got it locked up in here. You guys are funny. All right, people. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Let's get some more people in here. No, not really. Young Dolph, rip. No, I don't. All right, everybody, let's have some fun. Yeah, also, if you guys do want to get like a little sneak peek into like how the premium works, if you join the Discord today, it's basically a free trial for the week. You can cancel before March 1st and you won't get charged. So if you guys want to try it, you might as well get in there and get all these alerts and make a bunch of money this week. So, I mean, we've already gotten this spy play that actually absolutely printed. It's still up a lot. So let's see. No, not BC Boys. No, there's a couple of them. There's a couple good ones. So, spy moving around over here. UVXY trying to come up. Here it goes. Here it goes. UVXY coming up. Spy starting to come down here. Amy 1666. I don't like Kendrick. No, not for me. I mean, like old Kendrick, yeah. Not the new stuff. It's just not for me. I don't know. Tech 9. Dude, Caribou Lou. Yup. All right, Spy moving down here. Oh, there it is. New lows on the Spy. Hey, Teddy, or whatever the hell your name is. I'm up 115% on 1348 spy puts. You should join the Discord. Biden talking 3 minutes. No, Biden's at 2. Spy puts printing. Yup. Here we go. T Grizzly. Robbed one of the dorms at your school. Oh, God. You're up 230%. There you go. All right, everybody. Let's have some fun. No, I'm not. Island Boys? No. Get out of here with that. Yeah, UVXY coming up. Watch new lows on the Spy over here. All right, folks. No, we're not listening to Biden. You guys, sorry. You guys can't handle it. Like, everybody's just going to go wild in the chat. It's just, we can't do it. All righty. Let's see here. So we got Spy moving down again. Yeah, that's no good. I mean, for the market, it's great for my puts, but like, you know, I feel like we've gotten enough out of the puts today. Like, if they want to give me more money on the puts, like that's fine. Like that's perfectly fine. But I mean, I do want to see Amy come back up. Can we listen to Nickelback? No. Come on, it would be fun. No. 175% on spy puts. There you go. Great show, Vix. Thanks for all you do. Anytime. Anytime, people. Let's have some fun. Let's make. Oh, there goes UVXY. Spy. Here come the new lows on the Spy. This could get a little bit gnarly. Here it comes. Here it comes. Amy coming down 1647. I mean, do I wish I held these spy puts? Yeah. But I still have another one. So I didn't paper hand. Not really. I just took profit, you know? Do I think Spy will bounce later today? Yes. We'll see when. It's like event. Okay. Here's honestly what I'm looking at. If Spy comes down to here 426.52, that's probably when I'm just going to ditch my put, my last one. I could have made so much more gain on spy puts, but I like to take profit so quickly. Is there something I can do about that? Yes. One, you got to watch the Spy all the time and kind of see how it behaves. Did I YOLO on it a little bit today? Yeah. Did I sell my UNG? It's tanking? No. Is it bad right now? No, I'll keep that around. I flip. Here's what I do with the Spy to be able to keep me in it now. What I do is I flicker back and forth between the 1 and the 5 minute. So, or even the, even on the 30 minute, like I'll just switch it between different time frames to get a different view of what's going on. So like if Spy starts to rip like this, well, it's just coming up and testing the 48. But then what happens? Tanks makes a new low. Then it comes up again, new low. So that's just kind of how I look at things. So I'll just look at things like that and be like, okay, well, it's moving up right now, but what does it say on the different time frames is what's going to go on. Now, hold on. What the hell is going on with natural gas? It's coming down a little bit, but it's nothing too crazy. Let's see. Thank you for the idea. Anytime. That's well, TMI was like, yeah, I've been just switching it to the 1 minute and just like instant rejection. I just get out. And I was like, okay, well, I'll start looking at it on the 1 minute too for fun. I look at it to keep me in it. Like, even if it starts to come up, I'm like, all right, cool. Well, let's see what's gonna happen here. And it goes, okay. Oh, hey Teddy, whatever the hell your name is, 138% on SPY puts with my useless 1348. Cool, nice. All right, let's see. SPY coming down hard. Yeah. Missile attacks being shown on TV. Oh God. That's not good. Let's see here. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Appreciate it. Anytime, mixtape. All right. Let's see what we got over here. It's bouncing back up here. What's it saying? See, okay. So now it's bouncing a little bit. What does it say on the 1 minute? Okay. The 1 minute could come up and test the 13 at 428.29. So that's another 40-ish cents. Now it's not. So I just look at it back and forth and be like, okay, cool. Now it's looking like it might come down again. And then I also look at the different MACD, like the 1 minute MACD, the 5 minute MACD, and just kind of look and see where it's going. 1348 is useless. I'm only up 238%, 230% today. Boom. You just confirm your own anxiety. Watching the 1 minute means I'm paper handing on every inverse candle. Not for me. Not for me. I look at it. I'm like, okay, where's it going? I look at the 13 and then I look at the 25 and the 48. The 48 is the last frontier. If it blows through the 48 big and just really stuff like this, I probably should have gotten out of it. But I was like, hold on, this is kind of nonsense. Why the hell is it going? Like, there was no reason for it to be going up. So it's a little bit of market context too. It's like, okay, why is it going up? Let's see here. I hope apes are playing puts on the SPY. I mean, I hope so too. I think a lot of people in here are today. So, I mean, what are these puts at now? 125%. Having doubts is not good. Well, that's why I just look for confirmation on other time frames to keep me in it. 1 minute flickers give me terror. Right. Yeah. I know. But that's why I look at it on the moving averages or the exponential moving averages. So Amy 1648 over here. SPY not having fun. UNG is still coming down, which is kind of annoying. How far is SPY going? Well, I could see it. Maybe not today, but I could see it coming down to 426.50. I've started an options account with $300 a few weeks ago. I mostly used 1348 to bring it up to 2K. 650% gains in a few weeks is really terrible returns. Big Dave, there you go. All right. Yeah. SPY moving down again here. Ruh-roh. There it goes. All right. So Amy getting a candle here. What are these at now? Dang. We are making SPY our little bitch today. I'm really looking forward to getting out of the market permanently. Why? We're just printing now. We're just stealing money from the people that we are battling against. That's literally what we're doing. Let's see here. Another green day for me out of dry powder. Just here for that like button. Jake, appreciate it, buddy. Yeah. Up 150% on lucid puts. Yeah, 1348 is really useless. Come on, bro. We are winning. Why you mad? There you go, Daniel. You tell him, bro. Dude, if you guys are making gains like this, if you guys got Twitter accounts, just shoot them out on Twitter. We would love to see all those gains spreading around. I'm scared to play the options game. Start with a paper trading account. Just kind of get your feet wet. I am now up 150% on SPY puts. Bing bong. Teddy's wrong. Let's see. I need Moas to get out of the stock market permanently. Well, or you could Moas your own account like Big Dave Bulls did in 650% of his account. I started that account to just test this wacky 1348 concept. Turns out it's just wacky good. There you go. There you go. So yeah, again, if you guys do want to learn the strategy and literally just see all the alerts for basically free for the entire week, make sure you guys join the premium part of the Discord and you'll get access to everything. Cancel before March 1st and you're good to go. If you don't want to stay in it, but I mean, we would like to have you in there. The main goal though is to teach you guys the strategy, make sure you guys know it, and then you're good to go. You can leave, you can stay, do whatever you want. Increase my portfolio 40% today with 1348. Boom. Love it, people. I love it. All right. Let's go. So UNG is selling off here, which is honestly pretty annoying with the where natural. I mean, man, that sucks on UNG. Not fun. You only read the ones that people say they're up. You're down 65% on AMC. So are a lot of people, though. Like, that's the thing. Like, here's the thing, though. If your portfolio is down that much on AMC, which a lot of us are, do you think you can't make it back with 1348? A lot of people have. Like, they're like, all right, I'm even on my account now, even after this AMC loss that I have. But a lot of people are also still green on AMC, so it kind of balances out. So SPY still moving down over here. It's all right. New low on the SPY. Jesus. Oh man, here it comes on the way down. We are printing. Let's see here. What are these at now? 162%. Thank you very much. I will take that. Not yet, but I mean, I'm just kind of waiting on. I mean, everything just still says to stay in it, so I'm gonna ride these out for a while. SPY is crazy. Yeah, man. VIX broke 30. Hold on to your. Yeah, it broke 30 a while ago. You're 340K in the red on AMC. Oh boy, I know. That's gonna be a tough one to make back because you need a lot more money. You can't. I mean, you could start like a $1,000 or $5,000 trading account and absolutely crush it, but the odds of that happening are low. SPY it bounced a little bit here, but it's still like very, very close to the lows of the day. You bought uncalls this morning. Well, see, the reason why I have these uncalls, I mean, here's the thing, it's still green on the day. It can easily just rip right back up tomorrow. So that's kind of what I'm looking at on UNG. I'm holding them for the rest of the week. If it expires worthless, it expires worthless. It wasn't a 1348 trade. It was literally just based off of oil. The only 1348 on UNG is to the downside. UVXY is ripping. Damn. All right, here comes the SPY back down then. EXY. That's what it is. All right, hold on. Yeah, and you could have played UVXY today too. Yeah, crossover right here. Whoop. Oh my, UVXY is ripping. Agreed, not worried. There you go. 173%. Thank you very much. I don't know, Vix. With 1348, you can win both ways, so you probably could make that back. Yeah, you could. You can. It's just going to be a little bit more difficult if you're a new trader, you know? Yeah, UVXY up 6% today. SPY down 1.6. Amy 1629. This is getting gnarly. Next support, 426.50. I mean, 427 is going to have a little bit of support on it, and we haven't gotten there yet. But 426.50 is the lower end of this box. If SPY breaks 426, next stop 420, then 400, that would be gnarly, dude. Here comes UVXY again. Watch out below on the SPY. Let me spread this out a little bit so we can see it. VIX is wild before this. Yeah. AMC's not down to 1562. It's at 1626. I'm down a tiny bit on 1348, but it's my own fault. I got greedy with my hood puts and I bought before waiting 15 minutes on market open. It's an enjoyable strategy. Yeah, you got to follow the rules. That's the thing. You think BBIG is still worth holding? I haven't I haven't taken a real look at what's been going on with that thing since I think there was something last night with an offering, but I'm not entirely sure really what's going on. I'd have to take a look at it. I have a confession. For a long time, I thought a put in a short position were the same thing. I think there's still a lot of people in this chat that thinks they are, which is fine. It's just all part of the learning process. SPY coming down new lows here. Looks like, let's see. Yeah, new lows on the SPY. This is getting aggressive. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see hit the bottom of your box and keep going. I wouldn't either, man. It's coming down now. Jeez, if I held all of these contracts, I would have been up like $1,400 today, which is fine. I mean, this last contract is up a lot. Let's see. Amy down about 9.5% here, but the SPY's down a lot. Like that's what you have to take into account. The market is just not having fun. We'll hit SSR right at 1611. Wait, didn't we hit SSR? I think we hit it 1611 right here. 200% SPY puts. Bing bong. Let's see here. I'm gonna throw this in the gains chat in the Discord for fun. Let's see. Where is it? Community gains. Let's see. Wait, how did that not work? All right, well, we'll see if we can. Bing bong. All right, SPY bouncing up a little bit here. Hugh, thank you so much for the super, buddy. With RSI solo on SPY, do you close puts? No, not yet. Not until the technicals tell me I have to. Like right here, it's not even coming up to this 13 EMA yet. We haven't even seen Biden speak. Like we haven't even gotten there yet. Currently up 200% on SPY puts. Yeah. I like it. I like it, people. Enjoyed the blood fix low. Back to work in the gold mine. Got to make some money to buy AMC. There you go. I mean, you can do it a couple of ways. Your job. You can do it in the market. There's a lot of ways that we can do this. Can I set my charts on eToro for I have no idea. I would not short the VIX right now. I wouldn't either. You locked in 695% gain on your space 750 put. Damn. Woo! That is gnarly over there, people. SV Sing Pro frozen or draw a rocket. TLT needs to go over 19. Okay, TLT is not 19. TLT is very much higher than that. No, stop. Wall Street is the buck. Stop with the Island Boy nonsense, dude. Don't you do it. I don't want that stuck in my head. Let's see. Up over. Okay. All right. Proper eye candy. Relax with that. We are going to have none of that over here. I mean, you made money. Good. It's not for me. Oh, you wrote 139. Yeah. Where is it right now? I mean, UVXY chilling out a little bit here. Where's TLT? Yeah. So there is a little bit of a flight into bonds today. So yield's coming down a little bit. BBAG on the 5 minute starting to barcode again? No, it's not. Well, it was on the 1 minute that it was barcoding. Yeah, it is. Holy shit. What is it doing? On the 1 minute, is it doing it? Yep. I almost wouldn't touch this thing right now. Until this nonsense stops, this barcoding, I don't think I'd touch it. Because they're just going to try to the high frequency traders are just all over that thing. So SPY coming down. Let's see if it. Wow, this thing is selling so hard today. Bet you have cankles. Nah, you guys have seen my ankles before. Let's see. No fun intended. Yeah, that's fine. Just it's not for me. You think AMC could go up to 200 in a few minutes? I don't know. I don't. You would be Halt City over here. All right, UVXY. Coming back up a little bit here. You think SPY to 420? That's another $6, guys. $6 on the SPY. $7 that it would need to fall. Ho ho! More alerts coming through. 424 for the SPY. Biden speaks in 2 minutes. I saw cankles, not ankles. You know what, man? I think you're lying. All right, everybody. Yeah, as you're filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as well. Just helps out with the algorithm. Let's see. I can't believe you got rid of some of your SPY Putins. I just took profit on. I had 4 of them. I sold 3. I have that last one just kicking around here. I'm gonna hold it till close. Yeah, 2 p.m. Eastern. The reason why is because one, I thought it was possible that Biden was just gonna come on and then pump. Biden speaks it. They moved it to 230. The hell is this? How much are these up now? 205%. Bing bong. UVXY coming back up. Amy 1623. Let's see what we get over here. 325. All right, no. You called 420 this morning. Rewind the tape. I don't think it's going to hit 420 today. I just don't think so. Brandon going to push us down. If he does, I'll just kill it on this one last put, which is fine. It's free. He has no clue what to say. I don't know. Well, he's talking about sanctions on Russia. So Amy 1629, UVXY coming down a little bit here, 188%. All right, folks. All righty, folks. Tough day today. I mean, not for SPY puts, but for everything else. How short are you? I'm 6 foot 2 inches short. So I'm 6'2". Let's see. Does it look like a big head and shoulders on the SPY on the weekly? Yeah. Wouldn't that be no. Sorry. My brain doesn't work sometimes. UVXY coming down, SPY popping up here a little bit. See? Okay, so whoever was asking that question before, let's go to the 1 minute. Okay. So now on the 1 minute on the SPY, it's coming up and testing the 13. Okay, cool. It could reject right here and then come right back down. But if it starts to get see, rejected, coming right back down. If it blows right through it, then I watch the 48, especially if I'm up big. Do you play Call of Duty? No, my PS4 is all jacked up. We really need more nap jokes. I guess GME waking up. Yeah, GME. I mean, it's down 3.47. Amy's down 9. All right. 3 of the 12 Fed banks voted to raise discount rate ahead of Fed's January meeting. Whoa. Cleveland and St. Louis and Kansas City Feds sought the increase. Whoa. 3 of the voted to raise the discount rate ahead of the Fed's January meeting. Interesting. They just didn't do it, though. Interesting. Okay, Eli. Eli, too soon, buddy. Too soon. Forced liquidation warning. Oh, no. That's no fun. Oh, it's discount rate meeting. I feel like that's something else, though. That's not the Fed funds rate, I don't think. Let's see. Let's see. Steven should chill. Who's Steven? Oh, be realistic with AMC. Come on, man. Hey, Steven, listen, buddy. When you have a stock that's continuously getting better fundamentally as a company with very, very high short interest below what I consider fundamental value, which is very, very subjective, it doesn't matter. The market's going to decide at the end of the day. And you have a bunch of technical shorts in it right now with the market freaking out. I mean, you're just going to be like, oh, it sucks. Like, okay, what doesn't suck right now? You're going to be like, oh, be realistic about Tesla, man. It's fallen from 12. Bro, what? Like, come on. Like, be realistic with all of this stuff. Like, a stock has fallen a lot. Cool. So has Facebook. Okay. If I was talking about Facebook, you'd be like, come on, bro, be realistic with. No, like, what are we talking about here? Rands, what's up, buddy? How you doing? What time do you have to close out of the same day expiration options? Well, they will liquidate me at 2:30. All right, let's see what we got over here. Fed directors who favored no rate hikes cited outlook uncertainty. Fair. 200% on SPY puts right here. Damn, it is coming down to this 26. Wow. Tell me why he's late. I don't know, man. I don't know. All right, Amy 1626. UVXY slowing down a little bit here. Where are the Oxy puts from opening today? I don't know. A lot of people, I wanted the Oxy puts, but I just never got them. There was a 1348 on it. Oh, yeah, right at open. How much is this down? Oh, man. Oxy puts probably went crazy today. Damn. Good for you guys who got Oxy puts. All I'm saying is not a lot of people are holding the stock. A lot sold at 72. Steven, I like that you think that everybody that's invested in AMC is like a brilliant technical trader and like knows exactly what the top is going to be. That's hilarious. Like, that's funny. Like when we went from 72 back down to 50, do you know what happened? Everybody just fucking bought. Like, that's literally what happened. People were just buying. And then, yeah, then it comes down to 40, then it comes back down, then it runs back up, then people buy again. Like, yeah, some people did sell because that's just how things work. And it doesn't, people can sell like, okay, cool. Institutions just bought it up. Now they're loaning it out. Okay, cool. But then they can recall more shares and force more people to cover, force more buying pressure when we see another little bit of a run again. So, I mean, we can debate all day long on this, Steven. It's fine. Let's see here. You didn't sell at 72 and you were averaged at 9 at that point? That's crazy. Put shut now hereby forever be known as Putin's. Maybe, man. Well, it's coming down again. Coming down. OBV would beg to differ. That's true. OBV would also say that a lot of people were holding. SPY moving down. What are these at? 204%. Nice. Exactly. Loaning at 1%, it doesn't make any sense. Like, it does. Why? Okay. If you had the option to loan out something, Rivian puts printing, there you go. If you had the option to loan out something at 1% or 200%, what would you choose to collect as interest? If you are a sane human being, I would always just collect the 200% interest a year. It's fine. Well, like what? Like if your goal is like, all right, we're just gonna buy it and loan it out. Like I don't know. We'll go through this every single day. We have to go through this because people are just like they're just loaning it out. It's like yeah, they are, but like that's not what they're not. Their goal isn't to do this. Their goal is to like, all right, we're gonna make a little tiny little bit of money on the side as a little bit of cash flow for doing this. We hold it, but then once we want our shares back, we're just like, hey, give them back, and then they cover, and then the price goes up. Puts aside with the market taking a hit today, what calls would print by Friday? UVXY? I don't know. Like it's struggling today. Like the market is just on the struggle bus. Like it's struggling really hard. Held at 70. CIA the ghost. There you go, buddy. Let's see here. Yeah, they're showing the Kanye concert. That's interesting. Amy coming up a little tiny bit. 1631. Spy, a little bit of a bounce. LMT taking a hit. Interesting. AMC has been shorted since its IPO. Hedge funds wanted to bank drop it last year. That never happened, and they have never closed. Rich, sorry. Yep. My name isn't Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice. There you go. My average is 550. Woo! My wife almost left me and said, hell no, I ain't selling. There you go, buddy. AMC actually does 77. Yeah, I think that was in the pre-market, right? Oh my God. SPY just broke down below the lower end of this box right here, and it came back up. This is on the 5-minute time frame here. If we see a candle open below this range, I mean, I don't know if I have another box over here. Like I literally might have to draw a new one right now to see where we could go. This is gnarly. All right, where is it? Where the hell would it be? It would be so far right here, but this is where it is. This is like where the box is. It's like right here. This right here, this would be the, no, it's this one. This is the new box right here. So is it this? No, it's this. Rectangle. No, this is the box. But this is a no. Wow. I'm going to have to look at that because it's getting gnarly. Oops. All right. Let's see. Where are we right now? Yeah, we're right at the lower end of this box over here. This is getting gnarly. I mean, it would be at 420. The other one is at 420. Let's see. These SPY puts are up 234%. Did I wish I held? Yep, but I still got that last put. Here we go. TLT is being dumped to buy more SPY puts. I don't think so. How do you come up with these zones? It's just supply and demand zones. There's a lot of, I think his name's Carmine. I know Trey has a video on it too. You can watch that one. And then there's this guy, I think his name's Carmine Rosado. That's how he trades. He's got a YouTube channel. Really, really, really solid info over there. So you could watch some of those. I watched some of his videos to learn how to set them up. They're really, really solid. So let's see here. How the hell are my 425s almost in the money? Dude, you have the last Putin? Yeah. This is getting gnarly over here, people. This is getting wild. So make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as you're oh, here comes the SPY. Oh, gnarly, dude. Gnarly moves on the SPY. These might be 300%. What are these up now? 244%. Thank you. Jeez, man. Market crash is only good for AMC if the shorts decide to cover. Or they get they get like a massive liquidation notice because they suck and they have to close out their entire fund. They could just close everything. Killing it. Dude, these SPY puts are wild. I would have been up at least, I think, 1,000 on them. Damn. SPY puts are dirty. This is pretty cool to watch, not going to lie. Dude, 1348 tells the entire story of today. So this is why we want you guys, one, like, you can get the free access to the premium this week if you cancel before March 1st. You get that this week if you want to, but just learn this strategy. Look at this right here. Look, 13 crosses below the 48 right here. What's the price? 432. It runs all the way down to 436. Yeah, you have a couple of hiccups over here, but if you kind of see where the trend is going the entire day, you're good to go. Told you it would keep going. Big Dave, dude, you might be up a boatload. 260% right now. My God. Let's see. SPY puts up 300%. Boom. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button, guys. If you guys are making money today, please show some support to the channel and hit that like button. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much. Have you ever tried hedging your runner options when leaving it overnight? Hedging it with what? Sometimes I usually do. So like if I see a big move in the SPY one day and I want to play something, I'll get like Apple calls and then SPY puts that for the next day. Thank you, Putmaster. There you go. You're welcome, guys. So yeah, if you guys do want access to the premium, you can get it for this week, and you won't get charged until March 1st. So if you do want to get all the access to it and just see, make sure you guys check out that part of the Discord over there, because I mean it's benefiting a lot of people. We want you guys to be able to learn the strategy. I'm up more than my weekly salary. Boom. 23% on SPY puts in the last 30 minutes. There you go. What are these up? 272%. Fucking God. Barely watched the 1348 videos this weekend. Things clicked in my head, and I should have watched them a long time ago. Man, that's how a lot of people are feeling, I think, man. Like, here it comes. It's coming down again. Hell yeah. Love the SPY puts. There we go, people. I mean, it's not like easy, but like if you can ride the trend and like, remember, there was that one point today where I was thinking about cutting those SPY puts. Do we need to sell our puts by 2:30 on Webull? I think I think we do. Or no, it's 3:30. It should be 3:30. If it's 2:30, no, it should be 3:30 because I've had in the money puts past that before, in the money options before. Amy 1640 over here. I mean, with this little SPY drop, Amy's holding up pretty good. Micron is taking a ride too on the murder slide. Oh my God. All right, here comes SPY, new lows. Oh my God. 348 for single leg. Okay, cool. That's fine. I mean, I can hold it until then. All right. Oxy doing its thing over here. Where's UVXY? Where's TLT? Because this TLT strangle. Wow. I'm shocked that the TLT moves today. Shocked. Biden is speaking, activate puts, or it's just going to, I mean, it's down below this range. So it's going to bang its head on the top of this before it can really get back up. Never made this much on SPY puts. 1348. There you go. 1348 today. Winner 7 for 7 between 1 and 23%. There you go. UVXY making me mad I'm not in. Yeah, but SPY is going to be decent on the other side too. Are you short AMC? That might be the dumbest question I've heard all day. Jan, you earn idiot of the day. No, I'm not short on AMC. All right, SPY popping back up into the range over here. Let's see what it's looking like on the 1 minute. That's the wrong chart. All right. Let's see. Yeah, it's testing the 13, which is right at the lower end of this box too. So let's see what happens with this. 3 for 3 today, says David Morgan. At a freaking boy, people. Woo! Crushing it, everybody. Absolutely crushing it. So make sure you guys check out the strategy. I mean, there's only so many times I can be like, you should probably check this out. Amy going, yeah, everything's starting to come up here a little bit. 1650 on Amy. So Byron should be speaking in a minute. Unless I haven't seen any news notices out on it yet. I mean, the SPY puts still up 231%. It's just kind of banging its head on the top of this, on the lower end of this range over here. Let's see what happens. Low of the day, 425.86. We're at 426.50. Is UNG going? No, it's not. Let's see. UNG with a nice little pop here. Yeah, let's see what we got here. 223% on SPY puts. Ortex on AMC. Yeah, I got you. So when we come over here, let's see, 1.0 net borrow of 66,000, 20.84% estimated short interest. Let's see, 1 minute on the SPYs. Coming up to the 25. Yep, testing the 25 right here. Last time it did this was back here. Came up, then really sold off. So let's see what happens. 1 minute MACD crossover here. Let's check the MACD on the 5 minute. I mean, it's starting to curl a little bit, but let's see what happens with it. Why are bonds dropping? Hold on. People are selling bonds right now? No. Yields are going up. Yeah, so people are selling bonds. Weird. Yield curve flattening. Oh. So we dropped 10% with almost no shorting. Hey, Jim, look at this. There's 114 million shares on loan, and there's estimated to be 106 million shares sold short. So there's about 8 million shares that they can use against us on any given day. So it's not going to tell you in the live updates. All right, SPY moving back up here. I might take this, honestly. What is this up? 196%. What's this at over here? The 25. It's above the 25, coming up to the 48. I don't see any news updates from Biden yet. I don't see anything. Did Burry short the bond market? They're all short the bond market. All right, Steve, why are you saying this? 500K is a wild number. Like wild. Let's see. SPY red candle over here. Hey folks, not going anywhere. Just bought a few more AMC shares today. There you go. All right, SPY moving back down here a little tiny bit, holding TLT calls until I hear Biden speak. He just lost. Yeah, I don't think he's out yet because I haven't seen anything. TLT's selling off though, which I mean that's not helping the SPY puts, but I mean we already crushed it. So if anyone needs help turning big winners into latte winners, text me. I don't know what that is, but that's pretty interesting. I'm letting one run to 420. Last one to run to 425. All right. I mean, what are these at? 184%. Okay. Redfin crossed up. Yeah. Things might be starting to bend. All right. Watch it at the 48 right here. This is what I'm going to watch. I'm going to watch SPY at this level right here. If it blows right through this, I'll be out right away. He comes out with Russia sanctions. SPY will take even more and gas should go up. That's what I think too. You got to believe. I will believe. All right. So SPY Biden, just speak. Just say something, bro. Just something. Say something. Say Russia sanction. That's all I want to hear. All right, people. Yeah. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot, man. Here we go. You sold my SPY put for 230%. New beginning to learn 1348. Man, I mean, I can't. How many times do I have to show you guys on stream? Then it's like, all right, this strategy works. Drink more hedgy tears, bro. Looking out for you. Yeah, I probably should. I've been a little dehydrated today. Little dehydrado. Ooh, that's not as good as I thought it was going to be after drinking a monster. Byron holding the markets hostage. I mean, yeah, right now. I mean, this is on the 1 minute. Imagine they cancel last minute. I don't think that. All right, let's see. Where's UVXY? I mean, data's going to come and get us in a minute. Like, data's coming for us. So these are up 177%, 78, 79. Okay, it's coming back down maybe. All right, folks. What do we got going on over here? Yeah, SPY banging its head on top of this 48 right here. I don't know. I might take it and just live to fight another day and run. So if it breaks, if we get a closing candle above the 48, I'm probably going to take it and run. Because this is already up a crazy amount. Zoom out, giant lightning bolt, bear flag. On what time frame? Zigzag, 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 zigzag. All right, let's see. You have to up your energy drink game to C4. Dude, C4 is like, no, it's radioactive nonsense, Dan. The C4, nonsense. My favorite pre-workout, if you've ever had Mr. Hyde, 420 milligrams of caffeine. The first time I tried it, I couldn't even work out. I literally would stand up and my heart was just like, I was like, I can't do this. All right, let's on the 1 minute. Yeah. All right, SPY, what are we going to do here? Byron, what are you going to do to us? Live to fight another day? SPY coming down again? I don't know. Let's see if it breaks 427. What are these at? 181%. Boom. And no, explode is the way to go. Dude, that's baby sauce. That's baby sauce. That's got like what is that? Got like 100 milligrams in it? 150 milligrams of caffeine? Took my SPY puts at 80% gains. Yeah, 1348 sucks. Let's see. Did you try Craze 10 years ago? Dude, I was 12. No, I did not. Do the Melvin Capital voice. What's the Melvin Capital? I have a Melvin Capital voice. I didn't know that. What's my Melvin Cap? Gorilla mode. Okay, I haven't seen that one. Oh, it's got nootropics in it too. Oh. All right, SPY. What are we doing here, pal? What are we gonna do? Yeah, and no explode. It's all right. I've had it a few times. Weak, dude. I was 12. That one's. I've tried all beyond Beyond Lit Raw, I think it is. That's a good one. What else is there? I've had everything pretty much. Oh, Outlift Amped. That one's gnarly. You just got to get enough citrulline malate in there and you're good to go. Your heart won't freak out. All right. UVXY coming down. Spy starting to come up here a little bit. Let's see. Did it break this? There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. All right. Squirrel. Squirrel. All right. 5 minute bouncing off the 13. It's coming. It's coming up. Oh, no. What are these up now? 150%? Oh, no. We're letting the gain slip away. We're letting the gain slip away. Jacked 3D. Dude, I don't want any DMAA in my system. Get out of Spy. See, you guys usually, you're going to tell me I paper handed it if it just tanks. All right, let's see. If it breaks the 13, I'll get out. UVXY coming down. Where's 5 minute MACD cross? I don't know, man. I don't know. Last time we did this, I like completely crushed it and then rode the calls back up. Let's see. Listening to you for months. You're the best. Angel, I appreciate that, man. I like them Rip It energy drinks. They're fiver. I've never had those. Okay. I'm going to take the spy put. I think I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to do it. Yeah, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. It's mine. It's mine. I'm taking it. I took it. All right. That was a nasty spy trade. That was absolutely disgusting. Do I go into spy calls right now just for fun? Do I just YOLO spy calls for 66 bucks? Hold spy puts? No. I've got like $60 left. If it breaks below the lower end of this range again, I'll flip some more spy puts into the end of the day. How about that? Is that cool with you guys? Jack 3D was rip. Yeah, I could never have that. They have it in Australia now, I think. So, all right. Really, really solid day trading. No. All right. Watch. See, now Spy's going to dump. I'm telling you right now. Ghost is great. Yeah, I've had Ghost. They have some really good flavors, like the Sour Patch ones. Let's see here. Yeah, also, for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. All right, so I'm out of the spy puts. What else do I have? I mean, I have the UNGs. So technically, if Biden comes out and just is like sanction, and then like the spy falls and like natural gas and oil go up, I'll be fine. The play is Putin's all day, bro. Yeah, is Biden even talking yet? No, why leave it? Why leave it? You know? Wait, hold on. Did we get something? 1 minute ago, watch live as I provide an update on Russia and Ukraine. Here it comes. Byron is back on live. Here we go, everybody. Biden is late for being late. Dude, he made it earlier and then he made it later and then he just showed up late anyway. I was like, that's kind of nonsense. All right, let's see what happens with Spy here. All right, let's see. We're getting the news over here. So we're waiting on the news to see what happens with the spy. Ah, damn. Spy rejected off the 13. Now I kind of wish I held it. Could bounce off this 13 on the 1 minute, though. Let's see what happens with it. What can I get? Let me see. Biden's live now. What's Spy doing? Can I get anything like a YOLO? Is that allowed? I think it's allowed. Let me see. How much are these? I have $60. Oh, perfect. I've got one locked and loaded, ready to go. Okay, I'm going to buy one for fun. Oh, I got to get it quick. All right, I'm going to... Oh, no. I can't buy anything that expires today anymore. No, I forgot about it. Shoot. That stinks. Okay, well, I guess we're just hanging out here now. He's talking. Whoa, you guys cannot handle streaming it. So we're going to leave it over here. Let's see, everybody. What are you buying? I was going to buy the 424s. That's what I was about to buy. Biden says Putin is setting up rationale to go much further. Okay, maybe we play UVXY. Can I do something on that? You think that'll work? Let me see if I can get some calls here for anything cheap. Nah, the UVXY calls are terrible. All right, hold on. Biden says is the beginning of a Russian invasion of Ukraine. Where's UNG? Nothing here. Let's see what happens with this. TLT coming back. All right. Spy drops more tomorrow. I think it easily could. Let's see what happens, though. It's already down a lot today. All right. Let's get TLT over here. Watch TLT. Biden says going to begin to impose further sanctions. Putin is laying the groundwork for a much larger move. So that's what we got over here. I'm literally reading the updates. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens with SPY. It's holding right now, but let's see where it goes. Amy, little pop up here. Ooh, SPY candle. Biden says announcing the first tranche of sanctions on Russia. Well, what are they? SPY will be back in the 300s by week's end. I don't think so. Gas pipeline comes from Russia. Yeah, what's gas doing right now? Selling. SPY's coming up here. All right. Well, what are the fucking sanctions, asshole? Let's go. Come on. You don't need to announce that you're announcing sanctions. Just we've been waiting on it all day. We know that this is what the meeting's for. Here we go. All right, folks. Let's see. Is Oxy going? Which way is Oxy going? Oxy bounce. SPY flicker. Issuing full blocking sanctions on 2 Russian bonds. Yeah, but what are the sanctions? Oh, sanctions on Russian sovereign debt. That's the first one. All right, let's see what happens here. Working with Germany to halt Nord Stream 2, imposing sanctions on Russian elites, family members. Interesting. See, this is why we can't play the Biden thing, because everybody freaks out all the time. Russia will pay an even steeper price if it continues its aggression. Let's see. Germany cut the pipeline from Russia to Europe. Ooh, hold on. Wow, natural gas sold off big just now. Gas gonna go wild. Well, I'm watching it right now. Like Oxy's not moving. Biden says he has authorized additional forces and equipment to bolster Baltics. Yeah, nothing's really moving here. I'm gonna run. I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping. With some candles. Biden says we have no intention of fighting Russia. SPY, go. I'm funny as hell. Thank you. I appreciate that. Man. All right, here we go. Oh, wait, those are just alerts coming through. Let's see, everybody. What do we got? What do we have? Wait. Biden says we will defend every inch of NATO territory. Fair point. USO gonna run? It might. What's it doing now? Nothing yet. Oil's not moving. WTI crude's coming up a little bit right now. Where are you getting these alerts? It's a Twitter feed. USO pop. SPY moving up here a little bit. Boyle and going up hand in hand. Yeah, Boyle is both. So what's up? Doing. Is coming back to life over here, looking for a 5-minute MACD cross. SPY holding. Amy pop. Yep, 1663. We are printing puts 100%, unlike STV. Yeah, because STV's puts were up 200%. Squirrel. Haha. I'm just kidding. Let's see. Biden says still believe Russia poised to go much further. Yeah, man. I mean, slightly poppy. Yeah, coming up here a little bit. Amy is coming back up a little bit. Let's see here. All righty. Yeah, Ukraine's not in NATO, I don't think. All right, folks. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. Just helps get some more people in here. Ung's popping up here a little bit. What up, buddy? How you doing? Millie. Doing good. All right, what do we got over here? No, just Discord notifications. Check DM for P&L for the day. Oh, boy. I bet it's big. I bet it's a big one, avocado. Oh, attaboy. Just got 10 on the dip for AMC. There you go. SPY's holding over here. Wait, where's my newsfeed? Yeah, that's it. That's all we got right now. Biden says defending freedom will have costs at home, too. Like higher gas prices. I feel like that's what he's about to say. I feel like he's about to say higher gas prices. Further Russian assault on Ukraine remains a severe threat. Says U.S. closely monitoring energy supplies for any disruption. All right, here we go. Let's see if natural gas and oil are going to move off that. Closely monitoring energy supplies. Yeah, UNG is starting to come up here. This could be good. Tasty Dip bought 6,856 shares. I'm Flickr. Jesus. Biden says want to limit the pain to Americans at the gas pump. Uh-oh. Unless you intend to start a war, you don't need blood supplies. Okay, that's a bit sus. All right, let's see what WTI is up. It's not moving a whole lot, but natural gas is starting to come back to life over here. You're paying $4.27 a gallon right now. I think where I'm at, it's like $3.90. Might be more. I don't know. I just kind of YOLO it, you know? SPY coming up. Let's see. UNG. It's not moving yet. Crude's not moving yet. Limit the pain. Yeah, I haven't seen anything else yet. Here we go. Calls on vodka. All right. All right. UNG chilling out right above the 13. See, this is kind of why I got out of the SPY, because I was like, I don't know what he's going to say. $5 there in Cali. That's ridiculous. Biden says united with allies in support of Ukraine. Ooh, Boyle and UNG look like the same chart. Yeah, they pretty much are. Boyle is 3 times leverage, though. I think it's 3 times. Unless it's 1.5 or 2. Shoot. I don't know I don't have the profile thing up here, but it's probably 1.5 or 2. I'm moving up here. Let's see. 305 in Oklahoma. Jeez. Russell is on a moon mission. Yeah, SPY is coming up here. All right. Says Putin directly attacked Ukraine's right to exist. Biden says there's still time to avert the worst case scenario. Let's see. If you want a YOLO, use your last $60 for a small space strangle. No, it wouldn't matter. I could YOLO whatever I want just because it would expire tomorrow. Or it would be for tomorrow. Biden says we'll judge Russia by its actions, not its words. SPY likes war, dude. I don't know what the Biden says. No question that Russia is the aggressor. I mean, I'm gonna get some SPY calls right now. I can't get anything that expires today. Damn it! I forgot about that. No questions allowed. All right, hold on. Let's see what else we get on this. SPY's coming up here though. I mean, you can get some UVXY puts and flip them if you wanted to. Biden done speaking. Biden says U.S. allies remain open to diplomacy. So let's see. All he announced was sanctions. Yeah, AMC should be ripping. Well, it did. It came off from 1611 to 1674. That's almost $1. What is that? I mean, 60 cents. That's not almost $1. $6 gas in Hawaii, you psycho. Oh my God. That is ridiculous. All right, everybody. All right, USO selling off. Yeah, UNG is holding right now. What's WTI crude doing? A little bit up. Natural gas is coming up, though. This could get interesting. Took profit on the last runner at 40%. I hate to say I told you so, but like I didn't know. But I also was like, yeah, I wasn't feeling it. Wasn't feeling it. I mean, you can probably always get back in. 622 in LA? Jesus. You wild people over here. All right, folks. Let's see what we got. SPY puts will print. Took a loss on TLT. Yeah, I have that strangle for March. I'm just kind of waiting for something to go crazy. Oh, Mass Gang. What's up, people? How you guys doing? We don't use Russian oil. There's no reason outside of price manipulation that it's even going up. Right. But at the same time, like oil supply and either way, like they're going to have connections with like the Saudis. So that's how I view it. Paid $5.15 yesterday. That is absolutely and utterly drunk. Filled up for under $4.79 a gallon, which is better than that. Is crazy. What's up, Mass Gang? How you guys doing? So everybody that's coming over from the Mass Gang, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. It just helps out a whole lot with the algo. Thoughts on UNG? I'm just holding it. I mean, I already took a giant gain on SPY. So US crude oil futures settle at 92.35 a barrel, up 1.41%. What is this right now? I've got 1.43 on crude. 329 in Georgia. Damn. All right. Spy looks like it get a little bit jumpy here. So let's see what happens. Just kind of chilling out. It doesn't look great. But we'll see what happens going into the end of the week. SCV is my bag of gas. What? I'm building a car that runs off of McDonald's leftover grease. That's pretty wild. That is pretty cool. Puerto Rico, 370 a gallon. All right, people. Amy coming back up a little bit here. 1668. Let's see what we got going on here, folks. So what do we take away from the Byron speech? Russia sanctions. Russia's the aggressor. They're probably going to invade like more and cause issues. Britney Spears inks $15 million deal for tell-all memoir. Paramount. Why are they talking about Paramount in this? Is it Viacom? All right, Spy is coming up a little bit here. So, I mean, I wish I could have gotten some Spy contracts, but they're just not allowing me to. All righty. Let's see here, folks. Spy pot. Yeah, man, I wish where's UVXY? And the puts are expensive. I don't know. You get to NVIDIA cross. Yeah, things are probably starting to cross back to the upside here. Oh, here comes the Spy. Damn, man. I knew I wanted those. I need another account where I can open positions on expiration day after 2 because this is bullshit. I would have gotten these way back here. RSX. I heard that one. I just saw that come through. What? RSX? I don't know what this is. I mean, gaps everywhere. Oxy still trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. Use TD. I know I need to get a TD account. Just YOLO a space strangle with my settled cash. No, it doesn't matter if that cash is settled or not. I can, if it doesn't expire that day and I don't have to sell it that day, then I'm good to go. The OREV, how you doing, buddy? Bradley B, TMI's box. What's up, people? How you guys doing? You guys having fun? TD, just open a TD account. There you go. $100 is, oh wait. Oh, that's funny. All right, Spy making a little bit of Amy coming back to life here a little bit. I mean, it's down 6.5% right here. Oxy trying to make a little bit of a move back up. What's up, Mask Gang? How you guys doing? Where's Ung? Ung not doing a whole lot here, even though natural gas is shooting right now. Natural gas is shooting. I'm holding the shit out of these Ungs. They can't scare me. They can't scare me. I'm drunk and loving every moment. Hopefully you guys played some of those Spy puts, man. Those were nasty. All righty, folks. Are we eating or what? Wow, dude, I ate this Spy up today, too. Woo! Those were dirty. All right, everybody. Look at Russia news from Russia. Get both sides. I can't read Russian, so that's going to be a barrier. I have Ung calls. That's annoying. Whatever this nonsense is very annoying on Ung. Spy is coming up here, though. And natural gas, let's see what it's doing. It's up even more. Like, it's just continuously going up right now. So natural gas should end up coming up. I don't play drunk. Yeah, neither do I. Short crusher, eating crayons. There you go. Didn't you say you were going to buy the 424s? Why are you mad? For the puts? No, I was going to, but I was more looking to get calls. Spy calls up 7% already. There you go. Biden said our economy is going to take a big hit. Well, he was talking about pricing, like there's going to be costs at home. AMC 1672 over here. Let's see what we got going on over here, folks. All right, we printed today. So everybody, if you guys have been making money, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot, getting more people in here to just kind of see what's going on. And we get more people making money. Like, that's really all we want to have happen. TLT about to cross to the downside. Oh, brother. Watch Spy start to come up then. TLT. Yeah, TLT selling here. Very interesting. Got them Spy calls. Good luck, man. I mean, it does look all right going into close, but that Spy, the thing is that if I were to have bought those Spy calls, I'm literally playing it on like a candle or two, trying to make it free. Testing VWAP on the ups. Oh, AMD's popping up. Here we go. Here we go, folks. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. AMD's looking all right over here. All right, people. 100 more AMC shares. There you go, my man. All right, so let's see. Amy, looks like it might want to come up a little bit here. Spy just kind of testing this. Where's it at on the 1 minute? The 200? Okay, so Spy just banged its head on the top of this little ceiling here. The 200 EMA on the 1 minute coming back down to the 13. If it wants to come back up here and start to break that, then it can get a little bit rippy. But if it doesn't, it's probably going to sell off a little bit more. So let's see what we got going on here, everybody. Sex Pistols. What? I'd like to take a serious moment to say that anyone feels that they have a substance abuse issue, that they should get help and know that they are not alone. Yes, very much so. Amy over here up 1.75. I mean AMD, sorry. AMD up 1.75. Amy is at 1664. Spies probably bouncing off this 13 right here. It's trying. It's right around the 13 EMA over here. Does the SPY count as a day trade? Yes, everything counts as a day trade. Anything if you buy and sell it in the same day will count as a day trade. Let's see. Okay. Hold on, I sent you the link, didn't I? Yeah. All right, Biden is okay. All right. So, here comes SPY bouncing off. Let's see if we can break this 200. If it starts to come back up, that could be fun. So, AMD right here, 115.92. I'm addicted to SPY puts. How can you not be? How can you not be when you're making over 100, 200%? What if you sell and buy? Still a day trade because you're opening and closing a position. Let's see. I have an abusive relationship with holding AMC. I think we all do. 1665 on Amy. SPY trying to move up here. Why SPY going up after bearish tone by Biden? I just think the market's already sold off so much that the buyers are stepping back in on this thing. That's just kind of how I see it. Need Roblox to keep running past 48. Where's Roblox right here? Roblox down 3.5. What's the news? No, there's no news on Amy. Why would you think that there's news on AMC? Let's see here. And he was an hour late. Yeah. You can sell then buy without a day trade. No. Like opening a short position and then buying back to close is a day trade. Let's see. Are there some tickers that don't count towards day trade restrictions? No. No. Guys, it's shorting. It's shorting if you short something. Let's go, Chan Chan. Where's Chan Chan? I miss Chan Chan. It's time for Chan Chan, and Melvin was right to make an appearance because Melvin, obviously very, very wrong. But let's see here. He told us nothing new. Yeah, I know. Let's see. Hey, Mr. Finance, you already are subscribed to my channel. Like, subscribers only mode is on. So you are subscribed to my channel. Like, we're not, like, you're just playing silly games over here. What do I think about Verizon right here? Futures have different rule. Oh, yeah. Futures, there's no PDT. Make Chan Chan great again. Chan Chan was never great. He was just so bad. Not a hedge fund. What's up, man? How you doing? All right. SPY selling off a little bit here on the 1 minute. Now it's coming down to this 25 on the 5. Let's see what we got over here. All right. You could play the SPY on the E-mini. Well, yeah, that's futures. There's no PDT on futures. You can buy and sell as many times as you want because it's all margin accounts. Oh, the finance master, Mr. Finance is back. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, he was shilling on Friday, I think. He was shilling big time. All right, let's see what we get over here. All righty, folks. What do we got? Go. TMI's box. Is it your birthday? There you go. SV Squirrel got back in on puts. Dude, you absolute wild boy. Wild boy. Good afternoon. Checking in on the markets. Markets are wild. Markets are wild. So AMC right now, 1658, just kind of moving with the market. GME coming back up a little bit here, 118.90, down 2.16%. AMC is down about 7.4. There's a theory that MOAS will kick off when SPY hits 420. I don't know about any of that. I have 426 SPY puts expiring this Friday. Should I hold? Obviously not financial advice. I don't know, man. I can't tell you what to do. SPY moving back down. Simon, that was funny. Let's see. Looking at using Tastyworks for options. You should be able to trade later. Yeah, Tastyworks is good. They have a weird platform, though. I think it's kind of weird to use. Pico is my favorite shill. Dude, Pico is my favorite shill, too. Alrighty, folks. Spiral return to the 300 soon. I think that's a little bit reckless of you to say. Let's see here. SPY flickering here. Dude, those SPY puts today, reckless. Reckless SPY puts. Why is SSR not on it? I thought we hit 1611. It looks like we did. I don't know. Maybe we have to fall. Oh, that cash balance is looking good. Like number 690, Cedar Creeper. I appreciate that, man. All right, because the USSR is on. All right, that was funny. That was a good joke. Not gonna lie, that was a good joke. All right, people. So yeah, also again, guys, if you do want to get that the free access for the week for the premium part of the Discord, get all of those 1348 alerts, access to all of the private live streams, and just talking to all of us in the community, all of the premium chats. Make sure you sign up. If you join now, you can cancel before March 1st. You get this free week ahead. Let's see. I stuck to my trading plan. Hold unless we get 2 full candles and wicks above the 13 EMA on the 5-minute. You did. Oh, you didn't. You're right. UVXY calls if you bought them at 10 a.m. Dude, UVXY was pretty solid. Do you think AMC will run before earnings? It's possible. It depends on what the market's going to do. How ineffective are the shills? We rank them and want them back for comedy content. Exactly. If the 1348 is so great, why don't you have more than $200? Teddy, what? Who said I don't have more than $200? Teddy, why do you think that I only have $200? What is this? When did I just say that? What? Teddy, you know what you should do? You should just join the Discord, buddy. Cut the nonsense. Stop hating. Just go learn the strategy. Let's see. All right, people. Oh, my arm hurts a lot. So 1650 on Amy right now. Spy's coming back down. Let's see. Teddy just doesn't follow the rules clearly. Yeah, he's talking about my settled cash. Oh yeah, because I used it all. I traded it today. So now it comes back tomorrow, and then I have whatever my cash balance is. And that number is looking real good after these SPY puts today. 250% on 1348 today using the Ford. Use it on the using 1348. F the haters. There you go. Teddy, just learn. Stop. Don't fight it. Just let it happen. Teddy, just let it happen, buddy. Teddy, just let it happen. Go learn the strategy. Thanks for the clout. Teddy, you don't have clout. You're a little boy. You're a little child. Let's see. You should go learn the strategy because everybody's just laughing at you. Like we're all in here just making money with 1348 and you're like, it's useless. And it's like, no, it's not. Let's see. I created a new trading plan. It's called the 1249. Definitely has nothing to do with 1348. Yeah, I mean, whatever. Go for it. Let's see here. Just created a redundant energy supply system. Wait, what you did? What? Join the Discord. Exactly. Just join the Discord, Teddy. That's all we want from you. Not even. Just go learn the strategy. Go watch the videos. We honestly don't want people like you in the Discord. Let's see. All right. So what do we got here? Spy trying to get a little pop. Roblox flickering around over here. You're on the 420 plan. All right. Let's see. Google AMC News, no negative articles in the past 24 hours. First time in a year. That's pretty wild. Come to my Discord, you'll make more. Oh, Teddy, you're trying to promote your Discord. Maybe, hey, Teddy, this might be something that you're going to have to deal with, but ours is just better. And we're going to steal your people because we want them to make money. And it's a very solid strategy. So bye, Teddy. Have fun. All right. Spy bouncing up a little bit here. Let's see. Amy getting a little bit of a candle. Make it go up. I'm trying, man. Let's see. Yeah, Spy's getting a candle over here. I like it. Amy flickering around 1651. Spy MACD is nice. I mean, it's coming up. It looks like it could. Oh, there it is. There it is. Spy pop incoming. No, come to my Discord. Mine is better. All right, Amy coming up a little bit here. Let's see. Spy's getting a little action here. Those calls would have been dirty. Just join the Discord. Andres, there you go, man. Let's see. Everybody go find Teddy's. No, don't do that. All right. Amy popping up a little bit here. Spy shark fin? It might. I mean, we haven't seen any bullish momentum at all today, so the buyers could step back up here a little bit. How's the finger? It's fine. I mean, it looks like I just took the apple peeler and just like the whole side of it right here is just gone, but it's fine. I have a Discord, but I only allow strippers in. All right. Well, I don't know what your Discord's for, but it's definitely not for trading. Let's see. 3 green days incoming for the spy. Hey, it'd be pretty cool, man. GameStop pop. Oh, look at this. GME might go green at the end of the day. Down 73 cents right now, 0.6%. Amy's down about $1.18, 6.5%. Imagine if we go green today. All right. Looks like spy's coming up here. Amy, it's time to go. Let's see. Let's see. Amy trying to move up here a little bit. All right, spy moving up here a little bit. All right, weak spy rejected at VWAP. What's VWAP at? What price? VIX going down, or UVXY might be going down. Yeah. Ooh. If UVXY gets a little cross here and it starts to come down, that's gonna be dirty. Rivian DWAC trying to run. Interesting. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algo. All righty, folks. Let's have some fun. Let's see. No, Short Crusher. I'm not coming to your stripper Discord. It's not happening. I'm sorry. That was quite the pitch. Yeah. All right. AB coming up a little bit. Let's see if we can get back above 17. Spy trying here. Let's see if it breaks VWAP. What price is VWAP at? Let's see. AMC won't move until the very last minute. They close and they're hoping that today won't mean anything. Well, I mean, they're not going to do anything wild today, I don't think. Spy's trying. I mean, UVXY is coming down still. GME 120. I mean, it's down 77 cents. DraftKings going boom. DraftKings really had a nice day today. Not gonna lie, DraftKings like really held up nicely. SCV is my stripper Discord. Yeah, I'm only in Squirrel's Discord for that. That's it. And my OnlyFans, you know. That's how it works. VWAP 430.69. Okay, that's fair. What did this hit? Okay, it's close. No, stop it. Let's see. AMC needs to close at 18. I mean, AMD crossing out. Yeah. I mean, I probably wouldn't take something like this unless it was like a Friday where you could run it back up to like that $3 move, but we'll see. Let's see. All right. Oh, there it is. Spy right at VWAP here. Let's see if it can break it. Amy coming up past the 48 on the 5. Come on. How you doing, buddy? Ian, I'm doing good, man. Thanks for coming in. NVIDIA, LFG, all AMD's coming up here. NVIDIA. Oh, there NVIDIA goes. Spy, VWAP. Teddy says STV the next Matt Kors. Interesting, Teddy. You don't like Matt? I don't know. I mean, Teddy, you're just in your head. You're just in your head. Teddy, here's the thing, Teddy. The market is open right now and is pretty volatile. Why don't you go hang out in your Discord and make your people money? Like, come on. What are you in here in my live chat for? Like, well, come on. You're just like neglecting your people over here. NVIDIA's coming up on a cross here. This is pretty good. Micron looking all right over here. Yeah, Micron's about to get across as well. Spy broke VWAP over here and coming up to the 200. That could be interesting. TLT puts. I still have my strangle. Yeah, TLT's coming down here. I'm not trading like TLT. I just have the strangle on it in case something big happens. He's in your chat, so he can tell his chat what to do. Most likely, yeah, that's probably what's going on. GME coming up a little bit here. Can I please imitate Lou? No, not today. All right, SPY. Still, I think VWAP was that. I mean, if I'm trusting you guys on that one. An ambulance chaser? That's pretty interesting. All right, folks. SPY volume candles and a bullet. Yeah, volume stepping up on SPY. Check out my YouTube where you can watch me watch STV. That's fine. All right, 1680 on Amy. SPY moving up here a little bit. Where's Nvidia and all these? Are they still gone? Settling down a little bit. GME only down 15 cents right now. GME might go green. SPY to 500 by Friday. That's reckless. That is like incredibly reckless. What are you guys laughing at? What did I say this time? Stop crying. Who's crying? J-Dub, who's crying? Who's sad? All right. Oh, SPY's coming up here. 3 p.m. incoming power hour. Yeah, 2 p.m. margin calls, right? Oh, Nvidia is coming back up. Amy, come on. Break that 200. SPY cross on the 3-minute. There you go. Okay. Leslie, you're going to do this again? You're going to spam the SPY to 500? No, stop it. You're going to get put in timeout for that one. Amy, 1682. Nvidia looking all right. GME down 19 cents. Qualcomm? Yeah, I play Qualcomm a lot. Let's see. Yeah, Qualcomm about to get a cross on the way up too. SPY's looking all right over here. I'm not crying. You're crying. SPY to 499. All right, that's fair. No, I'm kidding. That's nonsense. You're up 20% on SPY calls for now. There you go. All right, SPY trying to move up here a little bit. GME just went green. GME's up 33 cents right now. AMC down $1 over here. So let's see if we can get this going. But GME just flickered into the green. Power hour run up. I'd love to see that, man. I would love to see a little power hour run up. Where's my thing? Where are my things? I don't have my things. No. Oh, they're right here. Bing bong. SPY to a penny, says STV Squirrel. STV Squirrel is the biggest bear in here. All right. Whoa, Amy's approaching 17. Qualcomm's coming up. SPY's getting up here a little bit. Dude, I knew it on the SPY calls. I just wasn't allowed. That's so annoying. No blue bloop? No, I didn't get a blue bloop. Let's see. I'm out of cash to buy. Yeah, so am I. And, well, no, I'm not, but I could have bought some stuff on the call side on the way up. But, I mean, it's nothing too crazy. BBIG running. Oh, baby. Hey, Teddy, make sure, let's see. Everything's moving up right now, so let everybody in your Discord know I'm buying puts, okay? All right. AB 1694. SPY's coming up still. Let's see. Apocalypse. Thank you so much for the super. Guys, SIAC is flying due to the merger news. Thank you so much for the super. Let's see. SIAC. Whoa, this thing's going up 11% over here. Not financial advice, exactly. Let's see. SV's $200 is that exactly, dude. My only $200 struggling. Everything that goes above the 200 FA is very bearish. Yes, exactly. What is going on today, dude? We're having so much fun today. I mean, those SPY puts were absolutely dirty. So. Let's see. Have they been shorting today? Yeah, I mean, it's hard to tell, but they have about 8 million shares that they can use against us at any given time. Today is wild. You guys like that one? Ung, what's up with Ung? Ung's coming back up a little here. I like that. I like that a whole lot. I've got the 1650s, which like really sucks right now, but we'll see. SV is a college student, leaves $200 alone. Exactly, man. Exactly. SIAC is popping. All right. Is it up more than 12% now? No. BME in the green. Amy down 98 cents. SPY moving up. You just got 500% SPY call YOLO? No, you didn't. No, you fucking didn't. Good job. If that's real, good job. But I don't think you did. Would have been nice if AMC could have hung with DraftKings the whole day. Yeah, well, here's the thing. AMC's been doing that over the last week or so. Drop a like. It helps with the algo, says Keyshawn. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see. All right, my mouse just died, so not a dead mouse over here. Yucca, why'd you just copy and paste my title into the chat? I don't get it. Hi, Yucca. All right, let's see. Ford is finally looking like he wants to cross up with a 5-minute. Interesting. Like number 760. Yeah, I appreciate that, guys, so much. Thank you guys so much for helping out with the algo. YouTube's been messing with us. Today's national. Did you just say algorithm? Yeah. So I've just been saying it like that now because somebody pointed that out to me and it's funny. 1690 on Amy over here, looking all right. Spy rejecting view op. What is it now? Somebody said it was at voice to text. Let's see. Maybe he's trying to help you with SEO and doesn't know how it works. Yeah, I don't know. Search engine optimization. TLT cross. Yeah, I don't get it. All right. Okay. Stop spamming my title in the chat. This is weird. You guys are weird. Crazy Spy might go green today. No. Algorithm is an actual DJ. Okay, that's kind of funny. You have the worst mouse ever. Come on, man, buy a decent mouse. No, I'm just bad at charging it. Like, that's really what it is. Okay. Stop. 430.75. All right, we're gonna give the mouse like 5 minutes, and then we'll be good to the end of the day. I'll do an Ortex update in a minute. It doesn't stop. Yucca, what are you doing? All right, people. So Amy 1690 just kind of chilling over here. Volume VWAP 430.90 on the Spy. Well, it's got to be above. It's above that now. 431.64. Everything's starting to come up here a little bit. Why do you think the Spy can't go green today? Okay. All right, folks. It would need to run $2. That's a big move. People. SEAC doing good. GME. Woo! New highs on GME. It was just a retest. Yeah. Use a squirrel instead of a mouse. It lasts longer. Thanks. Appreciate that. AMC Ortex. Short interest estimated at 20.84%. Everything else, pretty much useless. Let's see. Spy halt? No. Spy will rally like its crazy ass did on Friday. It might, man. Gonna have to switch. Yeah. What is in the top right? SEAC. Where's DWAC? Speaking of ACK, where's DWAC? Damn, those DWAC puts would have been spicy at open. Made 40% on some calls after today's puts. See the new daily top at 433, but I'm out for the day. What is that? Isn't that, what's the open? Yeah, maybe. Oh, Spy is approaching the 200 EMA over here and a 1348 cross. Hey, Teddy, take notes. This is what we look at over here. Let's see. See, 1348 is coming up. Spy looks like he wants to get to the 200. Still in this little demand zone over here. So let's see what happens. Yeah, Spy's got to cross. Micron ripped up. I mean, NVIDIA, AMD, and all these other ones are probably ripping up too. Like here comes AMD, and then Micron over here is probably looking all right. Yeah, Micron's looking good coming back up. BBIG broke through. Oh, BBIG. Yeah, it's coming up. Oh, GME up 0.5% over here. AMC's still down 5.42, but I mean, it's, what is that, 98 cents? Sucks, but all right. Spy peeking its head out above the 200 EMA over here. Looking decent. Alrighty, folks. Let's see what we get. No settled cash. Yeah, GME's going nice. Whoa, GME's getting some action over here. Come on, Amy. It's your time to shine, huh? Spy calls up 30%. Big Dave Bulls. There you go, buddy. Made $700 on the Spy 427 calls. My man. There you go, Ty. All right, Spy still peeking its head up above here. BBIG looks like it wants to get above the 200. D-Nut. Yeah, that's Krispy Kreme. I believe they had earnings. $13.48 is the shit. Yep. 25% up on Apple. There you go. I mean, I'm kind of out. Where's UNG? That's kind of what I want to look at here. Where's UNG? UNG trying a little bit here, trying to rally back to life. 13% on your Amy calls. Woo! There you go, buddy. Time for a rally. Glad I held those Micron calls. Man, you must have been down like 60+% at one point. Up 125% on a SPY call. There you go. Oh my God. 1348 is just insane, man. Dude, I'm glad you like it. Like, that's what I'm just trying to tell people about it. Guys, make sure you take advantage of that opportunity this week to get access to that premium part of the Discord and all of the alerts. So you just got to sign up for the Discord. The link is in the top over here. You can go hang out in the free chat if you want. But if you sign up for premium, you get this week for free. So make sure you guys check that out. If you cancel before March 1st, then you don't pay. But again, I mean, I think you guys are going to like it. So just take that peek in there. Whoa, GME's really popping here. Amy 1708 right here. I mean, 1348 tells the whole story. That's what people are using in the chat all the time, and it's crushing it. So make sure you guys check that out. And you're gonna get that live stream tonight too, that private live stream. So if you want to see me, Gabe, and TMI recap everything, go over everything that we need to know for tomorrow and the trades, and actually go through trading setups with everybody, that's another thing that you guys can get as well. Let's see here. Teddy is doing well with 1348. No, he thinks it's stupid. Let's see what happening with BBIG all of a sudden. It's just running a little bit. So, I mean, the SPY, it's just kind of moving with the SPY. Amy's just moving with the SPY, just smaller. Take it easy. Right, but GME was down to 116. Now it's at 123. That's a big move. Jorge. Freaking negative Jorge over here. Had 840 puts against Tesla this morning. Sold them at 808. Good day. My man, there you go. SPY 13 crossing the 48 in the 5-minute power hour. Yep. And it's above the 200. I don't know. It looks good. So Amy 1706 over here, just kind of flickering around. Power hour. Yep, we're at 306 over here. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button as well. Just helps getting more people in here. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It really means a whole lot. Amy can't break VWAP. Well, it's just going to come down to who wants to buy. So 1710 on Amy right now. What's VWAP? Let's see. SPY may actually go green. If it rips, I mean, it's only down $1.70 right now. It just needs to come up to like here, I think. Yeah, it could go green. We need to break 1727. Is that VWAP, Jorge? What's running in power hour? Well, a lot of things are. Like, what are the chip makers doing now? Like AMD, was this thing still going up? And it's taking a little bit of a breather over here, kind of with everything. So it's kind of waiting. SPY back down below the 200 EMA over here. Lucid. What's up with Lucid? LCID. Yeah, it looked like it wants to cross and then get above that 200 EMA. DWAC. Auto settle cash for the first time. Now I know how it feels. Yeah, it sucks, doesn't it? Whoa, DWAC with a nice little pop here in a 1348 cross. Ooh, here we go. Yeah, DWAC just ripped. Made 149% on SPY so far, playing both calls and puts. 1348, baby. There you go. That dip in 1348 earnings helped me get my AMC average down to 23.29. At a freaking boy, Ken Grifton. That's what we like to see. Market is one big coupling handle right now. Max pain coming for a lot of stocks. You mean like in terms of options or in terms of like just death? SC only has $200. Dude, you're right. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I only have $200. That's it. That's all I have. Zero. Nothing else. Just $200. Micron cross. There's the Micron cross. I mean, the thing is that if you want to trade anything right now, I mean, you're just basically trading the SPY on a different stock. That's essentially what you're doing. Unless it's DraftKings, which has been kind of coming up a little bit. So DraftKings over here, I mean, this is up 7%. That would have been pretty sweet. It got a cross at open. I mean, you would have had to wait until it gets all the way up here to the 200. But, I mean, no biggest lessons from trading in general. Don't be emotional. Have a stop loss. Yeah. I mean, my stop losses are all mental. Just because I don't like market orders. I don't trust the market maker at all. I got trust issues with the market maker. So 1695 on Amy. DWAC doing DWAC things. Yeah. Is it still going? Sorta. Pen. What's up with Pen? Is it tanking or ripping? And coming back to life with a nice little 1348. Yeah, Pen nice. But yeah, take profits. That's true. Rogue Civilian. I don't have just $250. It's a joke. Discord Premium probably isn't worth it unless you do options. So Crabface, it's so We are loading up. Here's the thing that we're adding to the Discord. On the daily time frame, we are adding every single stock in the Russell 2000. 2,000 stocks that are going to alert on the daily time frame so you can swing trade shares if you want to. So we're trying to have something for everybody. We have crypto, you can swing trade shares, we have all the alerts for the options, and we have all the live streams. So there is something for everybody. Hugh, thanks to the super buddy. Now you got $205. Oh, thanks, bud. I appreciate that. I see that was a joke as well. Yeah, that's wrong. I know. Please read my comment so I can DM you. Leo, what is your comment? Leo, Hood sent me a form saying I made 90K out of crypto, but I was negative and was never more than 1K in money. Okay, well, you should. I feel like that's nonsense. I don't know. That's alert overload. Not on the daily time frame, fee rhymes with AMC. And you can always turn it off if you don't want it. You can just mute that one. And it's on the daily time frame, so they're not going to be firing off all the time. Like every once in a while when the Russell really picks a direction and things start to cross, maybe you'll just get like an onslaught of alerts. But like if you don't want it, you can just mute it. SPY falling out of the ascending wedge. I mean, it's still looking all right over here. Let's see. Amy at 1687. GME coming back down a little bit here. Off the old family payroll. Dude, I pay for everything. Let's see. Sold my March hood puts today too. Green line, dude. You must have printed. SPY crossing on the 5-minute. Yeah, but it's not above the 200. You need a closing candle above and then some momentum to push it back up. Woo! Let's see here. Fun looking good again. Well, Fun's probably going to move with DWAC. Funware. Coming up a little bit here. DWAC. Yeah, DWAC's probably popping up a little bit here again. What is it at? Like 95, 96? Yeah, 90. Yeah, DWAC popping up a little bit. All right, so SPY back above the 200. Need a closing candle, though. That's a confirmation candle. Back looks like I missed a lot. Dude, don't you start yawning. I don't know why. I just get so tired all the time. It's bad. I don't sleep ever. I have to do school all the time. Struggle bus over here. I hate that I'm better at trading in bear markets. Hey, it's fine. You can do what you need to do, man. All right, Micron coming back up. Yeah, coming back up a little bit here. I love DWAC and all it stands for. Matt Stuck Suspenders. Good to see you in here, buddy. Welcome back. I like green lines, not red. It's fair. Well, you can make your account green at any time. It's all that oxy. It's the energy drink crashing you. Right. But then I just get tired and have headaches if I don't drink them. It's a positive feedback loop right there, right? I just get screwed either way. See, SPY struggling to hold over this 200 EMA over here. Yeah, see? Hard life, man. I'm kidding. All right, let's see what we got here. All righty, folks. Didn't military create meth? I don't think the military created meth. I don't know about that. All right, SPY trying here. Amy, a little bit of a pop off the 48. Micron looking all right. GME looking all right, too. Maybe you're pregnant. Dude, why didn't I think of that? I'm definitely pregnant. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, the OREV. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Give a shout out to and mazel tov to Sue Ray for his grandchild born on Saturday. Woo! Sue Ray. Or SU Ray. There you go. Congratulations, man. Let's see. They did in Germany. Oh, okay. You quit caffeine for like 1 month once. It was awful. Yeah, the ship has sailed. All right, folks. Let's see what we got over here. If the 13 crosses over the 48, but takes another 20 minutes to open candle above the 200, you still take the trade, or is it too late? Depends on what the market's doing and market context and what industry it's in. It's like I hate to answer it like that, but it really does depend. Okay, where was the other example of one where it like needed this one? DraftKings this morning. Wait. DraftKings is coming up here big, so that's nice if you're in the DraftKings. But if we pull up DraftKings right here, like look at, I probably wouldn't have taken this because look at this. It opens at, what's the open? 1667, and you needed it to get all the way up to $1 up. That's a big move. So it's kind of already made this move here. And yeah, you could have taken it, but then you're flat the entire day until this big move to the upside. So, I mean, it just kind of depends. Time for another SPY push, says MBC. Oh, are you guys pushing the buy button over there? Rivian, is Rivian coming up? I know Lucid and Rivian were looking decent for crosses. Not above the 200. Spy calls will make millionaires next week, says Randy the Ape. That'd be pretty sweet, man. That'd be pretty sweet. All right, guys. Yeah, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, you guys are doing pretty good today on it. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that. Jack, AMC Ortex. I mean, the only number I really care about right now is 20.87% estimated, shares on loan, and estimated short interest. All this other crap, nonsense. Spy struggling here again to get above that 200. But on macro view, DraftKings is puts. Well, on the 4-hour time frame, let's see where it is. Yeah, I wouldn't touch it at all, honestly. I mean, it's coming up to test this 13. If you start to get more bearish candles, then you could enter some more puts. Oh, here comes Spy. MBC looking like they're manipulating over there again. Here he comes. Like buttons running. Appreciate that, guys. If you close the position in the morning, then buy a position to the same ticker in the afternoon, does that count as a day trade? No. No. If you sell to open, buy to close, that's a day trade. What was the cost to borrow before the June run up? Like on Ortex, like 20%, something like that. On iBorrowdesk, they were showing it as like 90 a couple of times. Spy's coming up here. DraftKings is ripping right now. Jesus. Go gadget spy calls. Yeah, guys. I mean, I wanted it. I just had no cash. So that's kind of where we're at. How far out do you buy options that you trade on 1348? Well, the spy was a daily. But usually it's weekly on the 5-minute time frame. It depends on what time frame you're using. If you're using the 4-hour time frame, you can use the weekly or the monthly. If you're using the 5-minute time frame, you can do the daily with the spy, or you can do the next expiration, which should be like a day or two away, or you can do the weekly if you're trading something like anything else that has only has expiration dates once a week. Let's see here. Spy looks good on the cross. Not yet. It needs to get above this 200. It's fighting around here. With DraftKings, no news either. People probably buying the dip after a earnings sell off. That's kind of what I'm looking at on it. It sold off a decent amount after earnings. At what percentage gain is a good time to sell off? Again, it depends. Like, could I have taken my spy puts today at 30%? Yes. I took 3 of them at 60, and then I let the other one ride to, like, I think I sold it at 140, but it hit a high of 200%. Let's see. Yeah, it's still trying to fight around this level over here. Let's see what we got on news. IPOF, you guys said it, and now it's coming in my news feed. What's up with what's his name? Chamath. Running it up over here. Why spy rebound? Just people buying the dip after crazy Russia news today. What charts am I using? I'm using Thinkorswim. My are all different than yours on the same time frame. Make sure you have after hours turned on. All right, here comes spy. You got 2 minutes left to see if this candle is going to close above. IPOF looking decent over here. You thought 10% was good? No, it is. Like, it's very much a lot better than losing. 1348 equals Illuminati. Hey, man. I mean, it's really good. Happy Tuesday, everyone. This day won't come again for 200 years. Wow. It's 2/2/22 on a Tuesday, and we already passed 2/22. All right. Spy, what do we got going on over here? Very much a lot better than losing. Quote, put it on a shirt. I watched Spy go green. It could. You can't play options in after hours, can you? You get 15 minutes after the market closes on Spy to play them. Randy the Ape is very bullish on Spy for next week. Interesting. 10% is good if you maintain a stop of 5. Very true. Not at my house we haven't. Only 2:18 here. Oh, Central Time. Alrighty, folks. Let's see. Spy flickering around over here. IPOF moving. DraftKings. How's this beast doing over here? Easton. GME just crossed on the 15-minute. Yeah. I mean, it's not like it's just following the SPY. Everything's following the SPY going into close today. So we got about 40 minutes left. 15-minute on all ETFs just crossed. Interesting, Randy. This day won't occur again on a Tuesday for a quintillion years. Yeah, I mean, I hate to say it, but I don't think the Earth's going to be around that long, right? Well, isn't the sun going to cook the Earth by then? I think that's what happens, right? All right, SPY selling off a little here. Amy chilling. 1348 merch. I mean, we could, but I don't think we need to do that. Just if you guys want to support it and like get the alerts, just get the premium. And again, you guys get this week free. If you don't want to continue with it, you can cancel before March 1st, but at least join and see what it's like for this week, because today was absolutely wild. And you're going to get that live stream tonight with us, me, TMI, and Gabe, that we're going to go through everything and kind of just break stuff down and just kind of go over what we see going into then the rest of the week and strategy with 1348, the basics. Sun cooking the Earth. I will buy SPY puts a quadrillion years out. Yeah, those are going to cost you like $7 billion. Premium is well worth it. Thank you, Tim. Oh, I thought you meant like on the Sun stuff. Yeah, the premium. Yeah. Premium Discord definitely has a lot to offer. We work hard on that thing. Yeah. Also, guys, make sure you guys are engaging with the stuff too. We want to get this AMC stuff out to as many people as possible, just so people understand what we're doing. So yeah, if you guys don't mind hitting that short month. Very true. It is a short month. I missed Brandon's puppet show. Did he say anything bad? Not really. He just said he was talking about sanctions on Russia, and he said that he thinks Putin is gonna do stuff. Check DM. Oh boy, what have you done? Come on, bro. Stop buying bro. STV Squirrel. Stop buying all those puts. I mean, honestly, with the amount of times it's banging its head on the top of this 200, you could see a little sell-off in the close. But just like a Squirrel, just like last Friday when we were talking about, like when I was riding the calls up and you were getting into puts, watch it come down to this 13, and that might be a decent exit. That's $1.70-ish or $1.50 of a move. That's big going into close on an expiration day. Putin doing stuff? Yeah, pretty much. That's just pretty much what he's doing. Just stuff. Premium is legit. You can easily recoup the cost in a single trade. Oh, yeah, absolutely. 1,000 short on the likes, people. CDS, I appreciate that, buddy. I can't engage. I'm already married. All right, buddy. Are people still holding AMC? Armand, yes. Why wouldn't they be? Did the SPY 1348 cross just now? Nah, it crossed a little while ago, but it needs to be above the 200 EMA. This is why we have the rules set up, people, so you don't get faked out. So right now, I wouldn't have taken this because we haven't seen a closing candle and any momentum above the 200 EMA. Whew! SIAC has a merger, stocks jump. Yeah, I mean, SIAC right here has been all right. Oh, now it's up 14, 15%. There you go. Putin after that gas. All right, what's going on with natural gas and oil? Oh, Ung. Come on, Ung, dude. Freaking natural gas is up right now and you can't go wild. Come on. All right, Squirrel. Here you go. It's your time to shine, buddy, on some puts. SPY cooling off. Uh-oh. Here he goes. Here he goes. Making that. Oh, dude. This move into the end of the day must be. You probably are up 30% right now at least. My second batch of AMC shares goes to long-term capital gains tomorrow. There you freaking go, buddy. You get a like for responding. Armand, I appreciate that, buddy. I try to respond to everybody in the chat. Like I get that like people want to send in super sometimes, but like I also try to read everybody's messages. The apes have become legit traders. We are a complete threat. Yes, that is exactly what we want. Look, freaking Squirrel right now, 38%. Exactly. This dude is just like, all right, well, how do you buy more puts? You can't buy after 2. I can't because I'm on Webull. But I need to get like a TD account and throw some money in there. Oh, wait, I only have $200. Like, I'm kidding. Let's see. Alien says yucca. There you go. All right, folks, let's get ready for the last 30 minutes of the day. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be a fun time. Alrighty, everybody. 42%, you absolute wild boy. I would play this down to the 13 and then get out, but I know you know what you're doing, so run it, dude. Spy forming Voltron. There you go. You can buy puts, just not for the same day. That's true, but I like the same day. You really need to transfer to TD. You're leaving money on the table. Michael, I know. Spy VWAP bounce. Sorry, squirrel. What is it at now? What's VWAP bounce? VWAP at now? I just don't have it on my chart anymore just because it clouds everything. So I just 62%, dude. How? Earnings will not mean anything for AMC price. Too much manipulation. The only way we go up is A, demanding investigation and share count. No, Jason, no, incorrect. Do you have any classes on your Discord? Sort of. So we have all of the videos in the Discord that Gabe has made, Review Dork, outlining the 1348 strategy. And then 6 to 8 times a month, we all do private nightly live streams for members of the Discord. And we have another one happening tonight at 8 Eastern. So if you guys are signing up today, you guys can come in for that and learn and kind of go through the strategy of what we were doing today. So you'll get the link to that. And we just kind of go through everything, what the market's doing, and just strategy 1348. Let's a lot of like managing your emotions and manage like risk management, like figuring out what is best for you and reading the market and having like market overall market awareness on like, okay, we're seeing these crosses, but what is going to move today? So what will increase the price action then? Really good earnings. Let's see, because the fundamentals matter because a lot of the shorts are in it based on fundamentals. Ankles at night? Nah, no ankles on the live stream. I'm not gonna gatekeep the ankles. Let's see. It's Taco Tuesday too. Very true. Very freaking true. Spy moving around here a little bit. Bought TLT calls. Can you look at this now and explain to me why I'm about to get murdered? Well, TLT. I mean, it looks like it's coming back up here. It looks all right. So see what happens with it, but it's looking all right. 8 Eastern is 2 a.m. here. If we are premium, can we rewatch it tomorrow? I don't think so. I think we make them private, unlisted. They're gone forever. Let's see. TLT. Moving a little bit here. Jason, you're forgetting about all of the money on the sideline waiting to buy the dip on AMC if they get that green light. Are we planning on playing AMC earnings? No, because then everybody would get mad at me because I would play it both ways and I would have to buy puts on it. I would just have to. Just that's how the strategy works. So no, I'm not playing AMC's earnings. Not that SSR matters. No, I'm not. SSR does not matter. Like it matters zero. Why are you, Justin? Why are you playing TLT? TLT is not something that I typically just trade. It's something that I'll buy like a strangle on or calls on or something crazy when I think something really big is about to happen in the market, which I think can happen, but it's not a large play. Who cares what everyone thinks? Play your play. True, short crusher. When my girlfriend asks what I did today, I can finally tell her I'm bringing home the bacon. There you go, man. Amy popping up off of the 25 MA over here. Spy making another little move back to the upside. Hey, squirrel. Those puts probably just got blown out a little bit there. Yeah, spy pop. Time to go back up to 433. Well, no, all indicators did not give a bullish signal, Justin. There's no 1348 cross on the 5-minute yet on TLT. Like, where is it? I mean, if you got it here, you wrote it all the way up and you're good. And then it rejects back down and you're out. 15%. AMD straight tricked us all. Yeah. Discord is a ruse for dirty ankle shenanigans. No, it's not. It is not. No ankles on the Discord. You guys get ankles live when we hit the number that minus 10%. Uh-oh, buddy. All right, folks, let's see what happens over here. So, yeah, if you guys don't mind, again, make sure you guys hit that like button and engage with the content. We're about to get into the last 30 minutes of close. Here we go. SPY rejected on the 48 downside on the 1 minute before that pop. Yep, that's why Ryan, that's why I switch around to the 1 minute all the time. Found you on TMI and enjoying the stream. Scott, appreciate that, buddy. I really appreciate that. So, SPY moving up here a little bit. If it doesn't get above this 200 with a nice closing candle, this 200 EMA, it's coming back down. Don't backtrack, SVU. You said 20. No, it is. You guys get ankles at 20 on a close above 20. You saw my P&L having fun. That's true. That's true. I mean, I still think you're good. Can't wait for settled cash tomorrow. There you go. All right, folks. Let's see. Still not leaving. LFG, AMC, GME, Subi Sickness. There you go, buddy. Do you think DraftKings will continue running tomorrow? If the market's good enough, yeah. Do you remember a while back AMC bounced off SSR like today? I can't. I believe Amy ripped shortly after. Yeah, they were trying to push it down as much as they could until like they were trying to get it on SSR and they missed it. So they put it on SSR that day. We're only at 50% likes. Come on, people. Trey's mustache. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. At what price do we get toes? Well, technically you get ankles, which would include toes at 20. Disney Cross. What's up with Disney over here? Disney down 1.7. Nope, no Disney Cross and still below the 200. All right, there you go, squirrel. There you go. Coming down to the 13. Be careful, buddy. Be careful. This is going to get volatile. You so cross up on the 1 minute. Okay, come on. Where's Ung? Go, Ung. God, it's just flat. Oh, here you go. There you go, squirrel. Right at the 13 right here. I'm worried about you. I'm worried about you. It's coming down. It's coming down. Let's see. Just gave you the 869th like. Appreciate that, buddy. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. All right. Amy coming down a little here. Jack is looking for a reason to start stripping live. No, 24%. There you go. I mean, they're probably solid right now. Damn, didn't see that coming. Not in the play, but wow. The SPY drop? Well, it'll reject. It'll just bounce in between these ranges right here. So if it just rejects off the 200, it'll come back down to this 13 on the 5. All right, what do we got over here? Let's see. Uh-oh. The mouse might die. The mouse might die again. All right, folks. Possible this indicator is repainting. Which indicator? What are you looking at, Justin? I don't think that there is many money waiting on the sidelines. You'd be very wrong. There's a lot of money waiting on the sideline. You got to look at the bond market and money market accounts. There's a lot of money waiting on the sideline. All right, folks. 1653 on Amy over here. We're down about 7%. Let's see if we get a little bit of a run into close. Playing space earnings? Nah. Actually, when is it? Is it after hours today? Is space after hours? Screw it. Screw it, maybe. Like a little tiny one. Space, Virgin Galactic. We did do really good today. 222 after hours. Oh, it's wildly expensive. This is, no, screw this. No, thank you. No, very expensive. Testing a strangle on space. The math doesn't make sense. But also, the math doesn't make sense on most earnings plays these days. Just because the IV on everything is jacked. Man, selling off. SPY, back up a little bit here. Bounce off the 13. You're in on space earnings. They were cheap when I mentioned them this morning. Right. But now your strangle is probably off all over the place. Like, I'm not touching the space strangle. I just don't want it. Let's see here. Agent, you are not bag holding at 1950. That is not bag holding. That is not bag holding. Earnings on space. I'm not touching it. So SPY moving back down a little bit here. 1655 on Amy. Angel, you need to stop. SPY is not going to fucking 500. Paid you for your first month of 1348. Grumpy. There you go. Was that with trading or you joined the Discord? Yeah, I know. Angels always act. Facebook up 37% so far. There you go. You're at 44. Yeah, exactly. He's down a $1.50 a share. Yeah, like no, he's down $3 a share. He's fine. My average, I think it's 26 something. Thanks, boss. I knew you know what to say. Well, you're not bag holding. You're just not. Like, there's so many. Like, that is not the definition of bet. You're down a little bit. Have they set a date for AMC's earnings yet? Yes, it is March 1st. So next week, I will be streaming that thing. That'll be a fun time, man. Woo! All right. So SPY chilling up around here. CX up 18%. There you go. $10 average. There you go. All Apes United for a better market. Are we, ha? Yep. 32 average, down thousands. Yeah, my 26 average is not having fun right now. I can always average down right here, though. Make a little deposit. Throw some more in there. Come sit on the $35 couch, fella. No, thank you. Yep, Subi sickness. We got earnings next week. It's gonna be fun, man. That's gonna be a fun time. Well, cool, man. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I mean, we could easily in like a day run up to 20. Like, you're fine. Are we going to be able to in a day run up to what a lot of these people's averages is? Sometimes, like mine, 26. No, we're not going to be able to get there I mean, we could, but that would be crazy. We would see a couple of halts too. Let's see. Ethan, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. SV, I missed the late night fix with SCV. Roast y'all stream. Because I only think of good roast 8 months later. SV looked better before the face reveal. You know what, Ethan? That's a little bit mean. Still here waiting, SCV. On what, Christopher? Putin invades tonight. I mean, he's invading and he's just kind of invading. You know, he's kind of already there. 1550 average. There you go. Where's Rogue? He's with his kids. Rogue had a baby. My $13 average is scared. Why? Do you think the fundamental value is roughly 25? I would say at least 28, but like it's all subjective. There goes SPY back down. Squirrel. Where you at? You got some nice action over there, buddy. All righty, folks. So let's see. Woo! You guys are crushing it on the likes today. I appreciate that. Is that your baby? No, it's not my baby. Lower your dollar cost average. If you're in the red, lower the price gets, the better the buying power to lower your dollar cost average. Yep, that's how that works. AMC fundamental value is about 30. Yeah, I mean, very, very, very close, probably. Maybe even a little higher. Who knows? Have we checked the AMC Ortex in the last 20 seconds? It's kind of useless, guys. I mean, I'll pull it up in the video tonight. I got to see what we can talk about. Let's see. Putin is invading my dreams. Let's see. Let's see. SPY moving down here a little bit. Amy 1658 just kind of chilling. Break a VWAP, we'll be winning. Yeah, I mean, it looks, if it breaks this 13 right here to the downside, you're gonna kill it. All right, people, 23 minutes left. Alrighty. I think we should talk more about AMC Ortex. It's been riveting the past 6 months. Yeah. Bye short thesis. Yeah, the short thesis on it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Technically, it has, like in terms of the technicals over the last, like since November, it has made a lot of sense. But other than that, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So once the technical, you read AMC March 9th? No, they came out and confirmed it on the 1st. Why would buying $14 puts for Neo be bullish? It's not. Who said that? Chucking on hedgy tiers? Yeah, it's not written on this one, but that is the hedgy tiers. So just kind of chilling out around here. GME came back down to the 200. Amy still chilling out right around the 25 MA over here. All right, man. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see. Ho, Matthew. Thank you so much for becoming a member, man. I really appreciate that. Shout out to all the members. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Scooby says, so no squeeze. Who in the hell said that? Just remember, y'all, paper hands get paper cuts. Yep. See, I got my really bad paper cut with the Tito's bottle, and then now no more paper hands. I mean, I diamond handed those 5 puts today, had some fun. Oh, selling $14 puts. Yeah, that's bullish because that is a positive, what do you call it? That is a positive, what do you call it? Positive delta position that you have. Siak is flying. Siak is merging with Thriller. Yeah, but Thriller's a scammer. Thriller, I would literally short the shit out of this thing. Thriller and their boxing matches, nobody got paid. Posture and water check. Oh, I need that. Oh, here we go. Paper hands, you must have had Tito hands, dude. The Titos were struggling. That it's still gnarly over there. Short on class, long on Moaz. There we go. You diamond-handed falling Tito's bottle should have let it go. Facts. I was catching a falling knife. All right. Squirrel. You're struggling over here with these puts, buddy. Those Thriller fights are fake. Yeah, but nobody got paid. Like they literally just scammed people, and they never were able to sell enough tickets. I heard. When Liquid IV affiliation, I gotta see if they emailed me. I don't know. I'm bad at it. I'm bad at checking emails. STV's broken bottle of Tito's. Did you just shout me out? I did. I did do that. So let's see here. Going into close, people. I mean, it's a pretty crazy day so far. We really had a solid day trading, especially with those SPY puts going up over 200%. Whew. You should. You feel attacked. STV's broken bottle of Tito's. You feel attacked. You attacked me and chopped off half my finger. I don't want to hear it out of you. Watch, says this squirrel. Oh, there he goes. I don't want to hear it. Tito's bottle. How long did it take you to learn to play the guitar? I mean, I did play the guitar when I was younger, and I don't know. I'm good at instruments. I can play a lot of instruments: saxophone, string bass guitar, piano, guitar. What else can I play? There's a lot of things I can play. You knocked me off the fridge for some tendies? Exactly. How often do you hotbox? Never, bro. Has GME announced when their earnings are yet? Now, they're usually pretty far after AMC. SEAC's coming up. TLT peak. Dustin, TLT's coming back up here, buddy. You're good. You're doing all right. I mean, I wouldn't play TLT or hold anything overnight, but if you're trading it, I mean, you got to have that stop loss in there. Xylophone, I mean, if it's I could probably do it because I know how to play the piano. Guitar player there. There you go. I mean, I'm not good. You sacrifice me for tendies. There you go. You will post a picture of Vix playing guitar on Twitter. Well, you don't. I don't think you have a video of me playing guitar on Twitter. Let's see. Amy, 1654. Oh, squirrel. There you go. My Instagram name is Short the Vix 1. It's the same logo that I have, just with a black background. Oh, here come those puts, squirrel. Alrighty. As much as you want to call Thriller scammers, they just turned their financials for this merger and it came back as $5 billion valuation. Don't miss the merger run, dude. It doesn't matter. It's what the banks value it at. They can mess with that. SV and Astro do a music collab. No, I'm not that good. Break even. No. Like I'm really not that. Guitar I could barely play. I could play the saxophone pretty well. Piano, I never wanted to play that. Upright, like the string bass, I could run it around on that though. 32%. There you go, buddy. Black background. Are you in the dark pool? No, it stands out better on Instagram. I don't think GME's announced when their earnings are yet. SPY coming down here. Squirrel, you're crushing it. 1642 on Amy over here. TLT coming back up. GME coming back down to the 200. 60%. Jesus, dude. That is wild. Vix won't follow me back on Insta. Oh, I gotta do that. Sorry, buddy. Caesar earnings. Nah, I'm not touching it. All right. Amy coming down a little. Let's see. Ethan, thanks for the super, buddy. SV roast aside, respect for hanging here daily. Dude, anytime. Any freaking time. We're crushing it over here. Like, it's just that easy. We're crushing it. Let's see. Correction, the SEC valued them. Nah, that's usually, I mean, they would approve it, I think, maybe, but they're not the one doing the valuation. What do you think AMC's earnings is gonna look like? Positive EBITDA. Very good. Jesus, squirrel. How the hell did you do that? If it's not good, AMC will be over. Hey, Mr. Finance, you haven't really been paying attention to anything, but you should go and Google AMC earnings preview Q4, and it's really good. Let's see here. Just followed you on IG. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Amy 1645 TLT coming back down. Dustin, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I just posted you playing the guitar on Twitter. Okay. What? How did you there's no way you have a picture of me playing the guitar unless this is like a joke. I don't I don't get it. Where is it? I don't see it. Oh, it's a squirrel. That's funny. What's the Insta? It's short the Vix 1. It's the same as my Twitter. Just followed you on. Okay. Wouldn't that AMC earnings be priced in already? No, because it's estimates. They haven't come out with the actual number. So we have an idea of what they're going to be, but not an actual number right now. So let's see here. Insta squeeze. Let's see. Are you part of a boy band? No. No. You could build. Can you build me a PC? How much is that going to cost me? Teddy thinks I have $200, and I'm like, I don't think I can get a nice built PC for $200. Followed you on Insta. Thank you guys. Your hair gets so long so quickly. No wonder you option trade to keep up with the haircut cost. Appreciate that. Let's see. Yeah, and you are thrilled to hear 3-1 instead of 3-9. 72%. You fucking demon. Just followed you on Farmers Only. Appreciate that. Alrighty, folks. Let's see here. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot. Thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate it a whole lot. Let's see. Amy looking good over here. Let's see here. And people, if you guys do want to get all of the access to all of the premium part of the Discord and the alerts, you get this week free. You sign up through the Patreon. You can cancel before March 1st. Just go in there, try it out, see how you like it. We're going to do that live stream tonight for all the premium members. We're coming up on 14 minutes left and close today. Let's see here. Spy hasn't had a daily close below 431 since October. What's it at now? Well, looks like we're going to have one today, Dan. Only ankles link. Had a terrible day at the shop today. About to quit my job and do 1348 full time. Mike, only do that if you're able to generate a significant amount of money from it. Like you need a lot of money to be able to do it. Because everyone I casually talk stocks with thinks I'm dumb for even investing with AMC. Mr. Finance, they probably don't know what they're talking about. Like they haven't done any research. They're just gonna be like, oh, meme stock bad. Like that's just how they're gonna think. They're like, oh, I'm gonna use PE to value stock. Like it just doesn't make any sense. 112%. Jesus, dude. 81% on SPY calls, 1348. How the hell did you do that? Squirrel's making 100% on SPY puts right now. No sound. There's definitely sound right now. AMC and GME ride together, buy together. 8 fan for let. Subi sickness. There you go, buddy. Are you going to teach people in the Discord and use me an example of what not to do? Trey's mustache. No, you gotta. Well, I don't know. We gotta figure this out because I know you know what you're doing. It's just you're getting head fake sometimes. I don't know how. We'll figure it out. Wait, meme stocks are bad? Meme stocks bad. It's like, come on. Let's see. PE has a no value since 4th grade. Fair, man. I'll tattoo your ankle on my ankle if we had 100 games. Okay. No tattoos of me. No, I don't want to see any of that. That's weird. What's the best app to paper trade? Okay. Amy, 1641. Happy birthday, STV. Thank you. I appreciate that. It's not my birthday, though. Let's see. Justin, I don't know what you were seeing on TLT. I would not have bought calls on this unless like it's way back here, and then you would have been up a decent amount here. I don't know what you were looking at there, buddy. Let's see. My broker only allows options on margin. I don't know why they're doing that. That's a weird broker right there. That is a suspicious broker, man. All right, let's see here. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, but thank you guys. It's not my birthday. It's always my birthday with you people. Oh, God. Squirrel. What are these at now? 130? So humble of you to deny your birthday. He was on Teddy's Discord. Big TLT fan. Oh, God. You keep saying it doesn't make sense. Like any of this whole past year makes any sense. I've had to change my whole mental game to deal with this corrupt world. Well, yeah, exactly. We're learning a lot of stuff. Would you ever do a video with Houston Wade? I've done videos with Houston Wade before. We've streamed together. Or I think maybe TMI. I've definitely talked to Houston before, though. Do you want it to be your birthday? Yeah, because on my birthday last year, we went up 35.458%. Oh, hold on. Jumping 80. No. SCB Squirrel, these have got to be up over 200% now. Gotta be. No, I'm 22. I'm 22. I'm 22 years old. I'm going to be 23. I feel elderly. New trading plan, be like Squirrel? Yes. I've heard some brokers only allow options trading on margin accounts. Jesus. That's weird. I don't know why they're doing that. All right. SPY's coming down again. Amy, 1637. TLT coming up. 10 minutes left to go. All right. Okay. Amy down 8.66. GME down 1.8%. 1348 squirrel mode. What's up, Matthew? How you doing? Thanks for becoming a member today, man. I appreciate that. Unless that's a different Matthew. 212%. Jesus, man. You feel elderly going on 23? Yep. Yeah, I knew it. See, now I'm going to make all you guys feel old. Ha ha ha. Gotcha. How does that feel now? You just ruined my day. I got you. I got you all with that comment. I got every single one in here because I know that I'm probably not older than like any of you. You just ruined my day. I'll burn my birth certificate then. Oh, God, Eddie. All right. Like, buy so Jesus, Squirrel. You're going to hit a 300% SPY trade going into close. You absolutely wild man. Yeah. I feel like I'm a geriatric. Check me into the home. All right. No more jokes. Jordan Premium. Oh, been a member for a month or two. Thank you, Matthew. Sorry. I think there was another Matthew that came in here that just joined today. You would have been 29 today, but you broke me. Yeah, well, you cut my finger. STV's broken Tito's jar bit my finger. Let's see. You are young. I can be your you probably could. 1639 on Amy over here. 300%. Damn, should have taken the violation. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't have. I would have been in the calls writing it up here and then probably gotten out when it was touching this 200 a bunch of times. You're only 42 years older? Oh my God, Pops. Oh, that's not that old. What are you, 64? That's not that bad. Where's the live stream tonight? Yeah, it's on Discord. So we'll send out the link to everybody in the Discord. I think it's going to be at 8:45 tonight now. So that's what we're going to go with for now. But keep an eye out. You'll get a notification to your phone when we're about to go live. Defective Shadow, thank you so much for the super. NZ Trader here. Is it risky using a margin account? Yes. It is. 226%? Jesus. You made $20 on a $3 put on SPY? How the hell did you get a $3 put on SPY? And why the hell would you ever buy something like that? Putin's for the win? Dan Landry, there you go, buddy. Just join, watching the videos. Magic Mike, there you go. Yeah, we'll talk to all of you new guys in there tonight, and we'll get you guys all caught up on things that you need to know. So make sure you guys come prepared with the questions that you have in the live tonight, and we'll just rapid fire go through it so everybody's prepared going in for tomorrow. It expired today. What happened today? Discord I joined just so I don't have to search for so long. Yeah, man. I mean, you get this week essentially free. If you want to cancel before March 1st, you can. You don't get charged. But again, you do essentially get to use everything for this week. Let's see here. Mm. 7 minutes left, everybody. Let's see what we're gonna get going into close. It's all I have access to. Trade options in New Zealand doesn't have many platforms for options trading overseas. Ooh, I mean, then you're gonna kind of have to deal with it. I see. I feel like they're still gonna get you with PDT 278%. Bro, okay, I'm making a TD account if they let me. I need a freaking options account for these YOLO spy trades. Let's see. How long does it take Webull to settle deposits for options? 4 days, I think. You're super sick today. What did you miss? SPY up or down? Down about 1.4% on SPY. 8.5 on AMC. TLT's up a little. GME's down 2.5%. SPY about to cross down. It is. SPY is about to cross down. 5-minute MACD cross down. Squirrel, if you're holding these puts into close, I mean, you're a psycho. You grabbed 430 puts for today 20 minutes ago, and it already exited profits on TD. There you go, buddy. Oh well, I'm missing the free week. Yeah, you can always join next month though if you want to. You use Webull on one screen to chart and TD on the other screen to trade. Smart. All right, SPY popping back up here a little bit. Amy getting a little bit. TLT coming down a little bit here. We got 5 minutes left, everybody. Here we go. He has 15 minutes after close. Oh, he does. Yeah, he does have 15 minutes after close. That's true. Method to the madness. I know he does. I know. Dude, when I'm running it with 1348s and then some squirrel just comes in here and he's like, "Oh, I agree on something." I'm just like, "All right, we're good to go." How you trouble getting into the Discord? Matthew, what's your issue? There's the link. The link to it is in the top of the chat if you guys do want to join. And then the close at 254%. My God. And then there's a tab that says like how to sign up for premium, and then watch those videos if you can. But again, make sure you guys come to the live stream tonight. I think it's gonna be at 8:45 Eastern. Hey Jim Eagle, why when we got to 13 did they not push it up to 10 down to 10 then? What happened then? God, everybody just doesn't think it. Yucko, what are you doing? TLT crossing up? Yeah, Justin, I don't know what you're doing on this TLT trade now, but it looks like it's coming back to life whenever you were combining your calls on it. A squirrel amongst men. Yeah. Woo. Well, no. SPY options on expiration date, you have, or I think normally too. Yeah. So you get 15 minutes after close on some of these ETF options. When I become younger, I want to be like USTV. Eddie, I appreciate that, buddy. You need to run. Thanks for your time today. See you tomorrow. Trey's Mustache, Apparition Trader. Thanks for coming in, man. I appreciate that. They had to sucker some guys into buying options. Jim, you know how silly that sounds? If people start buying at the money, in the money options, do you know how fucked they are? They're so screwed. Let's see. Like, they are so screwed. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, but thank you. Who's going to be correct? Charles Gasparino or Lou? Who has made it? Okay, can we not? Can we not? What do I click on in the Discord to get the live stream? New to Discord, Julie, you're gonna get so in the announcements tab, we're gonna send you guys a private YouTube link, so it'll be on YouTube, but you have to click on it through Discord. Like in the Discord, we'll send you the link in there, because so anybody that has that private link can then come. You gonna hold Ung? Yeah, I did. What's it at? Yeah, I gotta hold this. So we'll see what happens with it. That's probably down like 30%. Whatever. Gotcha. Yeah, Julie. We'll see. You got the premium. It's legit. David, appreciate that, buddy. Let's see. Just message you on WhatsApp. Peter, you better never ever message anybody on WhatsApp that pretends to be me that isn't me. Can you please not? Please don't do that. They're gonna scam you for your money. It's not me. Let's see here. All right, Amy 1650, GME selling off right now, down about 2.7%. Amy's down about 7.9. Woo! All righty, folks. We have 2 minutes left until close today. Lou candle incoming. That'd be nice. It'd be nice, man. Peter says scam. Yeah, Peter, please don't message those scammers. Please, God, don't do that. The WhatsApp, dude? No, Peter, it is not trade alerts. Do not do the WhatsApp stuff. It's all fake. It's all nonsense. It's not me. Good day today? Dude, today was awesome. We crushed SPY puts today. Crushed it. Just got the premium. Stoked. Patrick, there we go, buddy. Let's have some fun. Let's make all you guys money. Just join the Discord. Thanks for the free week. Anytime. Are you going to stay and entertain the space earnings at 4 p.m.? No, I'm not. Sorry. Lucid, you told me on WhatsApp that you were in Mexican jail and needed money to get out. Oh, because my enemies were chasing me? Is that what it was? Did I blame my enemies? Guys, come on. Please don't joke around about those. Like, don't message those people. They're all scammers. There's nothing that I can do about it. How's everything? Guide to Bitcoin. I'm doing good, man. How about you? Look at TLT. Is it ripping or is it tanking? Oh, Justin, where are you at, buddy? We just closed and TLT went on an absolute mission. So, at the close of the day today, AMC down $1.45 at 8.1%. Now we got SPY down about 1% over here, $4.48. GME down $3.46, down 2.85%. So, guys, that is mainly going to wrap up the live stream today. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. And if you do want access to the Discord for this week, all you got to do is sign up through the Patreon. If you want to not be in it anymore, just cancel before March 1st if you don't like it, but definitely go test it out. We're going to do that live stream tonight. So if you guys do want to be in there, make sure you guys go join join that Discord. 1348, really, really effective for a lot of people. So make sure you guys go check that out. The link to the Discord is pinned in the top of the chat. So make sure you guys go check that out before the live stream tonight. So you can make sure that you can come in there. We break down the strategy, everything that happened today, and just kind of hone our skills on what's going on with the market and what we see going forward. I know there was a lot of people last night that took what we said and made a bunch of money today in the market. So again, thank you guys so much for being positive all day today. I know it wasn't the best day for Amy. We did make a bunch of money on SPY puts and some other trades. So I'll probably have a video out for you guys tonight at 7:15 Eastern. But other than that, guys, if you don't mind leaving a like on the way out, check out the Discord, get that free week, test it out. And other than that, people, peace.